Kylie Jenner. Tory requested Kylie Jenner. Hold on, let me see if I can pull it up for y'all. Tory requested Kylie Jenner to be among the people to testify for him. Do you get what I mean? So they revealed their list of people they would like to call in this case. By the way, remember the prosecutor said Meg's best friend is their number one witness. Tory said, well, I want Kylie and Corey Gamble. I would imagine that Tory also has to call the bodyguard. Everybody's accounted for. Keep in mind, the only way to neutralize, if Meg's best friend flips, because the best friend has never said Tory shot nobody, right? Or she never said it to the cops, and she never said it to the media. Allegedly, there was one screenshot, but then she kind of almost like denied it. I don't know what the fuck that was about, right? If the best friend, who I believe the authorities are going to threaten with jail time and threaten with charges, if she doesn't say what they want her to say to help corroborate a story that Tory is a shooter, so she's being threatened with jail time this and third. Do you get what I mean? If she gets on a stand and says, nah, Tory didn't do it, Tory has to put the bodyguard on the stand. It's the only way to neutralize it. You get what I mean? Now it's 2-on-2. It's the best friend and Meg versus Tory and the bodyguard. Here's the interesting part. Tory could flip this. Tory could be like, yo, in reality, the best friend might just be lying just not to get charges because there was gunpowder found on her. So it's going to be interesting, but we haven't heard about the bodyguard yet. The bodyguard did supposedly make a statement. I played it like a couple streams ago, but that is the interesting part about it. Anyway, there was a lot more to come, and I'll even get to the Kylie Jenner stuff too, right? Okay. So it starts off, the first thing they say is, and by the way, here's what's interesting. They said the jury pool consists of a diverse group of Caucasian, Asian, Black, and Hispanic backgrounds. Houston rapper Megs Stallion is currently not in attendance, obviously. She's a victim. And Tory is facing the state of California. The presiding judge, Judge David Hereford, will also determine whether to rescind the house arrest order and the $350K bond, which he did. So anyway. All right, hold on. Wait. Oh, I got to scroll down for it. Where's the fucking details? Why tripping? Okay, anyway. The judge agreed to take away the... Where's the other info I had? I'm so sorry. By the way, Susan Nancy Dillon, she wrote a pretty good article on this. Hopefully I could see it. Yeah. Okay, here we go. So, they terminated the house arrest. And by the way, that kind of makes it look good for Tory. Now, Tory, honestly, in the next week, he has to be in zero fucking media. Like, Tory in the next week should shut the fuck up. You can't slap no op. You can't punch no nigga in the face. You got to just chill. Because they're picking the jurors, and even if, obviously they would want a jury of people who never really heard about Tory before, that they could be completely unbiased. But while these people are being picked in this week, they might go home, which even the judge is going to tell them not to, but they're humans. They're going to go home and type in Tory Lanez. So if Tory does something this week, it's going to affect him. By the way, I could imagine Tory might try to throw some shit in the media to make himself look good. Like, yo, I'm a great guy. You know what I mean? Again, you're just trying to get in these jurors, whoever going to get picked, to make them feel you're not the guy to shoot a chick. You feel me? Anyway, so basically, he's still out on $350,000 bond, but he's no longer on house arrest, and he no longer is on GPS monitoring, which is the ankle monitoring. Hold on. I'm gonna tell you what else. Hold on. So this is the interesting the prosecutor is gonna go with, right? And I'm gonna try to show you some screenshots. So the prosecutor is basically trying to say, right? Tory has manipulated this whole situation, and the initial messages, which I'm going to Google right now. What's that girl's name? Kelsey Harris messages. The initial messages from all these people said Tory shot Meg. You feel me? So like, let me see. These were the messages. Let's see. Kelsey, this is in the morning after it happened. Kelsey supposedly texted, let me see, obtained messages from Kelsey, the other woman in the car, and she texted Meg's security guard this. Remember, Meg's security guard wasn't there. She said, help, Tory shot Meg. So they're going to use, I think they use this number one to try to threaten her to be like, if it ain't Meg, if it ain't Tory, it's you. Okay, remember this like crying ass shit. By the way, and I know some people think that when I'm breaking this shit down, I'm speaking for Tory. I'm speaking as someone who just kind of is using common sense. Maybe that this is something that Tory's defense will use, but I could imagine, based on how much Meg has talked about this publicly, if I'm Tory's defense team, they're going to make Meg look like just a fucking habitual liar, right? And it could start even from the night that she tells them, yo, I didn't get shot, I stepped on glass. Then she lied about something else, and then she lied about something else. Then she allegedly came clean with that story. Also, she went on this, I think it was it Good Morning America, whatever. She claimed her and Tory never fucked. Like, they didn't have a sexual relationship. Unfortunately, Tory's team got to use that to kind of contextualize what type of chick this is. Like, Your Honor, if she lying that I ain't fuck her, she lied about anything. Nigga, I was beating the brakes off that pussy. What y'all talking about? You feel me? Like, nigga, I was beating the brakes off that pussy. You can see my signature in that bitch. What y'all talking about? If she lying about that, Your Honor, she lying about everything. So all of these things, I believe, is gonna come into play. The thing with this Kelsey Harris shit, right? So she allegedly texted, as I said, Tory shot Meg. But here's the thing. According to some of the proof, it looked like she was behind the gun too. Maybe she was just texting that just to put the blame off on Tory. I'm gonna be honest with you. If I had to just guess who pulled the trigger, it's either Tory or Kelsey. It's not the bodyguard, and Meg didn't shoot herself. There was a bullet that got fired. It didn't hit Meg directly. It hit the ground. It ricocheted. It splintered, but some of the splinters hit Meg. It's either Tory it's either Tory or Kelsey. But here's the funny thing about that. Imagine if it's what I was saying, right? And by the way, this is not no inside info from Tory. I told you, I've talked to him a bunch of times. He's never ever tell me what happened with the gun. Never in life. I'm telling you this. I'm not making it. He never told me. He never told me who had it. Never told me who shot. They never told me nothing. You know what I mean? That part of the story, he's never told me. And that's just, honestly, I don't want to put it on anything, but that's the truth. What I believe, there was a struggle for the gun. And I think we all kind of believe that. Now, my whole thing is, there wouldn't be a struggle for the gun. Like, I can't see Tory aiming at Meg and Kelsey's trying to take the gun out of Tory's hand. I think it would be the other way around. Now, here's the thing. If you're trying to stop somebody from, allegedly, again, this might even be make-believe, right? We're going to allegedly find out some more info. And who knows, the cops probably got some info that we never knew, and they're probably just waiting to just drop it on Tory's lap in trial. Or maybe Tory already knows because he got the discovery. If you're trying to stop somebody from shooting somebody else, and you're wrestling the gun away from them, and the gun goes off, are you the person who shot, or is it the person who had the gun initially intending to shoot? Also, I'm glad somebody mentioned that. That whole shit about dance, bitch, dance. just sounded crazy. Nigga, that sounded like some anime shit. Like somebody had to drop a one-liner before they shot. Dance, bitch, dance. Like, bro, that shit just sounds ridiculous to me. What y'all think? That don't sound ridiculous to y'all? Somebody said that's from a movie. Nigga, it do sound like it's from a fucking movie. They said, didn't they say there was no gun residue? I'm going to be honest with you. I don't know the official word on that yet. I don't know the official. I know there's definitely gun residue. So here's two things. And this is why I think Kelsey is testifying, right? Because I think the cops was threatening her, bro. They were telling her, like, yo, listen, you're going to be in cuffs if you don't testify against. We want Tory. So even if y'all were fighting for the gun, we'll let you off the hook. We want Tory. You got to testify on Tory. You know why? Bro, you can just Google it. Witness saw muzzle flash Kelsey Harris. Look, play this. Hold on. Allegedly, a man who said they witnessed the shooting said they saw a muzzle flash that was closest to the non-victim female at the time of the shooting. So it looks like the gun got fired from a woman. The woman has gun residue on her. Meg is the only person alleging that is Tory. I don't believe they have footage of Tory shooting. In actuality, according to what the DNA results said, it's inconclusive, so they can't really tell one way or the other. It kind of reads to me like they were pretty close to getting this Kelsey girl like in trouble, and I think she probably just said, yo, listen, man, I'm sticking with the original story. I texted the bodyguard. Tory did it, man. Play the Kelsey diss track. Somebody said, I can sound like he guilty, not gonna lie. Bro, I don't know. Somebody said, play the Kelsey diss track. Let me go. Kelsey diss track. What did Kelsey say in her diss song? Oh, this shit's called Bustin' Back. Let me hear this.
Yeah, who I'm taking shots at? Bitch, I'm busting you. I'm talking to that same bitch that crashed that boat on 42. It's a shame we're here today. Truth be told, it's cause of you. Couldn't control your little feelings. Look what dick is costing you. It was all good, yeah, about a week ago. Shout out Bobby's murder, but this bitch is really cheap. If I was the one with the gun, you would've heard about a murder. Said her back was turned, but that girl know who really hurt her. Never been a jealous friend, and the people really know it. If you would've kept it solid, then I would've been told it. See, I really thought I knew you, thought that you would keep it G. If you wanna talk gangsta, bitch, I'm really from the street. Imagine lying to the DA saying I took some hush money. Put a muzzle on your friends, all acting like some.
Okay, great. So that's another thing too. I think, by the way, Tory has to use this song. If she gets on the stand, I think Kelsey's in a tough spot. If Kelsey says anything bad about Tory, because that is Meg's supposed statement. Meg said, yo, you got paid off by Tory. You could read it in this Rolling Stone article. It said that, look, here we go. It was something about investing some business. Look, speaking of Rolling Stones, let me make sure I can see it. Speaking of Rolling Stones, for a cover story earlier this year, Meg said the other woman, Kelsey, her one-time best friend, told her after the incident that Daystar Peterson, which is Tory, offered to invest in her business in exchange for her silence. So somebody's lying. So that's what I'm saying. It's interesting that she's the lead witness for the prosecutor, because if the victim is saying that your lead witness admitted to her, right? That's what I'm saying. Meg did too much fucking interviews. Because if I'm Tory's lawyer, as soon as the prosecutor bring up Kelsey Harris, I'm going to go up there when we're doing a cross, and we're going to be like, yo, didn't Meg say you got paid off for your silence? And she either got to say Meg's a fucking liar, which kind of kills her being the top witness, or she has to go with this thing saying, nah, Tory did try to pay me off. And that's the only angle I'm wondering what the fuck could happen, right? But even if she said Tory tried to pay me off, if I'm Tory, I play this song in court where I said, Your Honor, how could she now say I'll try to pay her off when she dropped a diss song at her best friend, claiming her best friend was lying about me paying her off? You get what I'm saying? Let's keep listening to the song.
Never been a jealous friend, and the people really know it. If you would've kept it solid, then I would've been told it. See, I really thought I knew you, thought that you would keep it G. If you wanna talk gangsta, bitch, I'm really from the street. Imagine lying to the DA saying I took some hush money. Put a muzzle on your friends, I'll act.
By the way, I think I wrote this song down already. When he said, yo, if he said,
never been a jealous friend, and the people.
He said, never been a jealous friend. I think she's addressing the fact that, yo, we're not beefing over Tory. You got to keep in mind, Meg done fucked allegedly. This is allegedly. Like a few niggas that this girl probably liked or whatever the case is. So she's just saying that she not jealous like that to fucking backstab her friend over some dick. You get what I mean?
Really know it. If you would've kept it solid, then I would've been told it. See, I really thought I knew you, thought that you would keep it G. If you wanna talk gangsta, bitch, I'm really from the street. Imagine lying to the DA saying I took some hush money. Put a muzzle on your friends, all acting like some crash dummy. Got my chain snatched? Damn, here you go lying. Be a A-list celeb, you doing too much trying. Where I get this money from? Bitch, you knew I was a hustler. The way she did 1501, shoulda knew I couldn't trust you. Protect black women, huh? But you sending threats to me. Damn, I thought that you was solid, now the joke's on me. Damn, I ain't wanna have to do this, but you steady shooting shots. They said if I spoke that a sex tape could drop. Was never supposed to be against each other, this what y'all made it. I'ma still live it up, yeah, I know y'all really hate it. Sucking dick behind my back, who really on their knees? You an overachiever, all you do.
God damn, sucking dick behind my back. Bruh, I'm telling you, the story's kind of coming together. That's what I'm saying. Like, listen. And by the way, I'm crossing my T's and dotting my I's, and I could have my personal opinion, but I'm going to be very open-minded to what could happen. This shit the prosecutor could drop a fucking bomb in court and be like, yo, we have the smoking gun that Tory did it. And I don't want to just be so naive that I'm like, oh, no, nah, bro, like, we're going to see what happens. I have my personal belief. Am I leaning one way or the other? Maybe. But everything I've been telling y'all is lining up with, the best friend never really said nothing, but the whole thing, Meg was fucking Tory. And by the way, if I'm Tory, I'm bringing all this shit up. Like, unfortunately, you got to character assassinate the witness to be like, yo, she a liar. She said she never fucked me. Her best friend alludes to in this song that she was sucking dick behind her back. Whose dick was she sucking? Mine. Like, pause, you know what I mean? Like, I guess I'm talking in terms of Tory. And bro, you gotta break this shit down. You gotta make both of them look like a liar if Kelsey's testifying against you.
But you steady shooting shots. They said if I spoke that a sex tape could drop. Was never supposed to be against each other. This what y'all made it. I'ma still live it up. Yeah, I know y'all really hate it. Sucking dick behind my back. Who really on their knees? You an overachiever. All you do is succeed. Claiming you a pimp, huh? But you slipping on your Mac and are you lying to your label? Do they really know what happened?
Who shot you?
Cause you know it wasn't me. I was 10 toes down whenever you had beef. It's a goddamn shame. All you had to do is clear your best friend name. All you had to do is keep it real and stay the same. But you switch
thing about this song that confuses me, again, unless in some miraculous way, the bodyguard is the person that fired the shot, somebody fired the shot. And I don't think nobody believes it's Meg. And while we might sit here and argue semantics to say, was she really shot? She was twerking later. She had some bullet fragments that hit her. And that's technically called being shot. Okay? It doesn't matter if we want to make it super technical and be like, well, she clearly wasn't injured that crazy, or clearly didn't hit no tendons because she was twerking later. According to the letter of the law, she was shot. That's just how it goes. So now I ask y'all this. If this chick saying she ain't do it and Tory ain't do it, unless in some magical world the bodyguard did it, which like we haven't heard nothing about that nigga since that one statement. Bro, somebody did it. So that's why I think it's gonna be it's an ultimate Spider-Man meme. You did it. No, you did it. No, you did it. No, you did it. And I think it's gonna be Tory and Kelsey. It's just gonna be interesting because Tory and Kelsey was lightweight tag teaming against Meg, and because Tory's freedom Tory's facing 26 years. From which I thought Tory was a legal resident of the United States. Well, he is a legal resident. He's just not a citizen. According to the letter of the law, and for the people who know Tory's, just immigration status, if Tory gets found guilty of this offense, he will get deported. It would be a miracle for him not to get deported. I could imagine his legal team has probably hired some type of attorney to possibly deal with ICE, even if they do think they are completely fine. They got to think about the worst case scenario. You get what I mean? You have to possibly think about, okay, if, I forgot I think he has 2 charges or maybe 3. Okay, maybe you get found not guilty on the biggest charge, but then they give you the gun charge because there's a gun charge here, right? If that happens, will that trigger or mess up his immigration status? You get what I mean? Yo, I'm going to keep it 100 with you. I don't even know why most of these guys who not from here, bro, y'all are spending all these time fucking these Instagram bitches, bro. Just go get married and get your papers. I ain't gonna lie to you. I think Drake should be a citizen. No disrespect to Canada, but bruh. You're making the 90% of your money here, nigga. Get citizenship. Marry a chick, get your citizenship, keep it moving. You get what I mean? Let me see what y'all talking about. I ain't gonna lie, it shocked me. I'm like, yo, you tell me 21 ain't had his citizenship for all that long? Bro, y'all gotta get to it. Get to it, man. The last person to get deported in hip hop, I think, was Shine. Shine got deported. Let me just Google, what does it take for you to get deported? What crimes get you deported? It should be deported from the U.S. Deported from the U.S. Let me see. Let me just look at California law. Okay, here we go. What crimes will get me deported in California? An aggravated felony, a drug crime, a gun crime. Okay, so a gun crime is a shooting, clearly. Domestic violence. I think they consider this domestic violence as well. Because, is it... So usually if you fuck around with the person, if y'all have been in a relationship, or even if y'all been just intimate, any type of situation is called domestic violence. Whether it's harassment, it's still domestic violence. Whether it's I don't know if necessarily trespassing, but pretty much anything that they feel could potentially be violent is not just a simple assault anymore. It's categorized as domestic violence, harassment, domestic violence, stalking, domestic violence, and it's a trigger thing that they use to employ a whole list of things that they could make sure that the victim, gets the proper help or whatever the case is. Shit. Technically, I believe this would be an aggravated felony. So yeah, this is definitely a deportable crime. And let me click on this other one. The following are joints that so there's something called crimes of moral turpitude, and these are a list of them: aiding and abetting, assault with a deadly weapon, which definitely would be a shooting, attempted murder, burglary, child abuse, blah blah, conspiracy, convicted felon with a gun, criminal threats, DUI with aggravating factors, extortion, forgery, fraud, vandalism. Okay, I see what's going on here. Yeah, Tory Lanez, 26 years. That's what he told me on off the record. He said he's facing, was it 26 or 29? Y'all tell me. Facing, let me see. Oh, he said 24. Why is he facing 24 years? Let me see. Tory Lanez charge. Tory Lanez is charged with, let me see. All right, we're going to get it right here. Okay. He was arrested on the charge of carrying all right, make sure I can see it. He was arrested on the charge of carrying a concealed weapon in the vehicle. But he wasn't arrested for shooting Meg initially. I got to see what he was charged with eventually. There was a major development. They announced felony assault. Let me go click on that. All right, they bullshit. Anyway, I don't know how to. I think the 24 is a little bit overblown. I think they're gonna run. I think it's multiple charges, and if they run both years concurrently, it's probably like 15. But who cares, man? It's a lot of fucking years. Anyway. They're trying to pick this fucking trial, man. They're trying to pick these jury, man. And unfortunately, people are coming in there hella biased, and you got to imagine what the vibes is. The vibes is motherfuckers have watched this case, whether through Shade Room, whether through me, for years, and no one's going in there. That's what I've always thought about. Remember when they had like the R. Kelly fucking, like sex trial, and they had a jury, or even like the O.J. Simpson trial? How do you really get somebody who never heard of it now? Like, especially now in the time of social media, you got to be really out the loop if you never heard of Tory allegedly shooting Meg. You get what I mean? Bro, this is like one of the biggest things. I remember the O.J. Simpson case. Nigga, I didn't even know what state these motherfuckers was in, but that shit took over Jamaica TV. I was in Jamaica at the time. I'm like, what the fuck? Somebody said, wait, is Tory a U.S. citizen? No. From what I know, no. Somebody said crimes against women always end with a conviction. Nah, not necessarily. Not necessarily. Somebody said, didn't Myron already prove Tory innocent? Yeah, Myron, again, we're going off what's publicly available. We all believe that there's a good case for Tory to beat this case based on publicly given information that could create more than what would be considered a reasonable doubt. And if they can't prove beyond a reasonable doubt, usually juries are instructed to find that person innocent. Now, here's the thing. We don't know all the evidence that the DA got. The DA got some shit. They got to have some shit. The DA got to have some shit. Somebody's going to be embarrassed. And this is exactly why the criminal justice system is usually so successful because, bruh, you really, even though they give you most of the stuff in discovery, sometimes you just don't know what rabbit they might pull out the hat. Or you might don't even know the type of jury you're going to get. Like, shit, you're interviewing somebody for like an hour or two trying to figure out if they should be on a jury or one of 12 that gets to decide your whole fate. You know what I mean? Somebody could have faked it out. At least some people kept it 100. And by the way, if that chick wanted to be really in Tory's favor, she should have acted like she didn't give a fuck about Tory. And imagine that girl that literally said to them like, yo, I love Tory. I think he's innocent, and if y'all put me on this jury, he's not gonna get found guilty. Imagine if she just acted and be like, yeah, I don't give a fuck. Actually, I'm a hot girl. Or just act like she didn't know nothing. And she ended up being on the jury, and now she's in the jury deliberation room, and all she now says is, yo, I don't care what y'all got going on in here. I'm not voting that this nigga's guilty. It's going to be at least, at minimum, continued deliberation until it's a hung jury, or maybe it's a retrial or something like that, or maybe it just comes back and they say he's just not guilty. Somebody said, did I see the GoFundMe for DJ Pat? They say he's broke. Yeah, you send me the GoFundMe because there's a bunch of stuff that happened. And I'm going to go between this Takeoff case and this case. I feel like we're on Criminal Minds over here. But I'm going to go between them because DJ Pat today in court has literally finessed the legal system. The judge... I don't have necessarily the paper. Actually, if y'all give me a second, I could pull up the paperwork right here. Give me a second. I'm going to pull it up right here. Bang, 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 bang. Oh, shit. I'm good. All right. I got the paperwork for y'all, chat. So, hold on. So the beautiful people from the state of Texas will be paying for a private investigator for Patrick Clark. Basically, the nigga who killed Takeoff told the court that he's broke as shit, and the court has agreed to give him a budget to go hire a public investigator to investigate the murder that they could possibly try to get him off. You get what I mean? I never knew Texas was that nice. Like, you know, obviously we hear about all the time that you will get, hold on. We hear about all the time that you'll be assigned a public defender, but it's rare that you get a special investigator paid for by the court, which is pretty much paid for by taxpayer money, and that person will be doing the digging. I thought the cops already did all the digging. You know, I mean, I'm supposed to analyze the evidence, but you know, it is a smart idea for them to get. And here's the paperwork on that. Y'all ready, chat? Bang. Okay. So the dude who killed Takeoff, there's an order that came down. Let me make this a little bit smaller. Sorry. So order that came down that said, came to consider the defense ex parte motion to provide funds for expert assistance in this case. Upon consideration of the motion and argument of counsel, it is hereby granted. The court hereby authorizes defense counsel to secure private investigative services for the defendant in order to assist the defendant's counsel in representing the defendant in this case. The court hereby authorizes payment of a reasonable investigative fees and expenses upon the submission of a statement of fees and expenses incurred not to exceed $5,000. Okay. It is further ordered that the Harris County Sheriff's Office allow access to the above defendant, Patrick Clark, and they allow that the private investigator named herein to enter the Harris County Jail with a laptop computer, a printer, and an audio device when visiting the defendant. They might as well say, y'all seen the other nigga who dropped a stone from jail? They might as well just say, bring a microphone and Pro Tools, nigga, and let's get this shit rocking, bro. Like, come on now, dog. Come on, bro. They might as well just say that nigga gonna bring a hotspot. They're gonna bring a hotspot, a microphone, and some Pro Tools, and they finna get lit up in that bit. Somebody said, where's the Mexico money? You know, that's so funny. I'm gonna pull up, which I don't know, maybe the cops was capping a little bit. Or not capping, but or maybe I'm just looking at money different. They said he only had $1,700 when they arrested him. So what money were they talking about? That I thought they were going to say he had $30,000. You know what I mean? Here we go. The charge. This is it right here. Okay. So all that bag of cash, I'm going to pull that up. All the money they claim this motherfucker had. So when they arrest you, and by the way, no, he had to fill out, well, actually, who knows what he actually got arrested for? No, actually, yeah, I think I'm wrong on this. I might be wrong on this. I think they took the cash as evidence. They took it as evidence. So when he's locked up now, when it comes to bail or anything like that, or if you can't afford a lawyer, you have to fill out this paperwork, which basically the judge could find you, I think it's called indigent, which means you're broke, you know what I mean? And you can't support an actual legal process to defend yourself, which means the court will then appoint people to help you out, right? So you got to pretty much declare broke. And the way they do it is they have you fill out a paperwork, and this is the paperwork homie filled out. I know, chat. We got everything, don't we? Holy. Okay. So this is his affidavit for financial condition. He basically said, and I read it, he didn't specify if he rents or own. He said, please select. He says he stays with someone. So he says he doesn't have a house, right? No, he says he lives in a house, but he doesn't rent or own. He just stays with someone, okay? This is employee status. They said he is part-time. I think he began to write student right here. I think he started write student. I don't know why he was trying to write student, unless I'm writing this scribbled out shit wrong. But he said part-time. He said employer's name. He said he's a DJ. Employer's address unknown, obviously. There's a number here. And they said supervisor, self. And they said how long you been doing this job? For 15 years. Now, granted, he's capping a bit because you have to imagine you got to make it look like you're broke, that they could help you out, right? Because if you start flexing on this, they're going to be like, oh, you good, nigga, the fuck you need? Salary, unknown. And by the way, I think this might be just verbal. So this might not be him who's filling it out. They might just be asking him. He says his only bills in life. Man, this is good. This nigga says only bill in life is cell phone for $200. And he say he don't know how much he paid for clothes or food. Imagine the only fucking bill you have in life as a grown man is cell phone. Holy. And he said the cash on hand, what number you see this as? Is it 1,700 or 1,200? This looked like 1200 or 1700. Regardless, less than $2,000. He says he don't got no money in stocks. He don't got no money in his saving account. And this is obviously where he's going to cap. Hey, how much you have in your checking account? Remember, you can't lie. So you got to be like, I don't know. You get what I mean? I don't know. So he probably got some money. Now, whatever they probably found him with when he was about to leave, they're going to put that in evidence. So he can't rely on that money. Right? So who knows? Maybe he had like $20,000 in a bag and he was about to dip. When he got locked up, they're going to take that as evidence. Right? Because clearly it had to do with him trying to fucking leave when he's being sought after for a crime. It's directly related. They could keep it as evidence, right? Yeah, so basically they said that his total assets is damn near zero and his bills is like $200. So they have classified him pretty much indigent, and that's why he's going to get like he's getting all these things from the government. You sent me the GoFundMe link? All right, gang. No way. Hold on, I'm going to put up another screen. Make sure it's actually real. No way. Nah, this is a troll. Nah, this got to be a troll. This got to be a troll. Chat, this got to be a troll. Is this him? Look, Patrick Xavier Clark, Fight for Justice. Nigga, this might be the only suit he ever owned, nigga. A businessman, not the murder of Takeoff. The narratives are false. Maybe it's real. It's being organized by somebody named AJ Clark, same last name. Look, my brother DJ Pat has begun his fight for justice. We will need assistance in proving his innocence. As family, we're asking all of his supporters, colleagues, and friends to help us fight for innocence during these difficult times. Please continue to keep Pat and other families involved in this case in your prayers. God bless. Okay. Damn. Okay, maybe it is real. I want my little cousin to come home. He's innocent and being set up. Okay. All right. Chad, how much y'all about to put on his books? How much y'all about to put on his books, chat? Can you actually do a GoFundMe for bail? Usually I see these get deleted. You could do a GoFundMe for like a burial or something that, you know, kind of tragic happened. I don't know if you could do it for bail. Could that be done for bail? Usually I see these type of things get deleted, bro. I kid you not. Somebody said he's innocent. J Prince son did it. All right, hold on. So there was a bunch of orders that actually got a bunch of orders that kind of like got like signed. I'm gonna try to. I don't want to put up nothing that's too crazy. So he's gonna go for it's kind of crazy. I know all this shit, right? He's going for. There's another bond hearing next Wednesday to lower the bond. Right now it's $2 million. So next week, Wednesday, he's supposed to go for bond, and it's supposed to be to lower the $2 million. Because initially the prosecutor said, yo, give him $1 million bond. And the judge basically said, fuck $1 million, $2 million. You get what I mean? Let me see. Okay, this got signed off on, too. Hold on, let me see. Oh, this is interesting. This is interesting right here. So chat, so they file motions in court, and then, you know, the judge reviews it, they look at it, and they could just sign it off and be like, okay, so this is now what it is. I'm going to show you the motion for bond stipulations. The motion for bond stipulations got signed off on. Remember, the prosecutor had asked for, like, yo, make sure this nigga can't talk to Jay Prince, all that type of shit. Here we go. I'm about to, give me a second. Give me a second. All right. I'm going to show you the latest shit that's there. Here we go. Bang. Okay. So this is the shit that got signed off on. Yo, I can't believe this nigga got a suit on. Okay. So here it goes. This is the order that got signed off on. Remember, like, most of the shit you're going to see, it says, in addition to appearing before the court, the defendant is ordered to comply with the following conditions of release on bond. The defendant will be supervised by the pre-trial, blah, 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 blah. Here's the thing, though. Additional conditions mark that those that apply. They got to appear in court every time. They can't commit no crime or engage in any conduct that would result in their arrest. They shall not have no contact with prosecution witnesses, the complaint, or victims, specifically any member of the household of the decedent, Kirshnick Ball. You see J Prince. I don't know who these people are, though. There's some new names on this. J Prince, J Jones, A Hamilton, Quavius Marshall, and Willie Bland. I only know Quavo and J Prince Jr., obviously. So who are these other people right here? Y'all know these people? Anyway, a few other things. If he does get out, he would have to go through like alcohol and drug testing. He would have a curfew, this and third. And then, this was interesting right here. It says no deadly weapons, blah, 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 da, da, da. It said 24-hour house arrest, right? And it says no contact or communications with co-actors. That was interesting. No contact or communications with co-actors. That almost sounds like co-accused. Michael Prince. Now, remember, Michael Prince is the dude that's white hat. Remember that? Mike Prince is the white hat dude. Cameron Joshua, yellow hoodie. Christopher Watkins, I don't know who that is. And or Shakur Stevenson, boxer. Do you know what I mean? I don't know, man. Anyway. Okay. Perfect. Well, that's just kind of what it is. I mean, there's a few other things, and I just don't think you guys give a fuck about that yet. Somebody told me, a nice little birdie told me that they're also going to motion. I can't see it in the paperwork yet, though, that they're motioning to remove some of these names from the no contact list, basically saying that, hold on, let me see, is this person in there yet? Basically saying that it shouldn't be ordered that, let me make sure, it shouldn't be ordered that he got to stay away from J Prince Jr. I don't know. Okay, hold on. Yeah, this don't really say shit. I'm looking at some paperwork before I show y'all. All right, whatever. I think I got everything in this bitch. Okay, we'll see, man. Just sad situation, brother. I don't know, man. Unfortunately for the people who like, this in-depth information, the information is going to slow down. These guys are locked up. They're probably not getting bail. And the case, as we've seen, like how long ago was Pop Smoke killed? And they still haven't gone to trial. You get what I mean? Like, how long was X killed? They still haven't gone to trial. You get what I mean? Like, everybody's just kind of like, they're using this COVID excuse, but everybody's dragging their feet on all these trials. So this shit probably won't get adjudicated until maybe 3 years from now. Only thing you can say, at least, they're probably going to just sit in jail until then. Yeah, and Dolph's case won't get solved. That won't go to trial for a long time either. Somebody said, but Meg trial started. Well, it took 2 years for Meg trial to start. Meg trial, that's kind of been overdue. And by the way, there was a time where Tory's lawyer was trying to speed up the process. sometimes like even with Melly's case is interesting. Melly turned himself in like 2019 as well, right? At times it looked like Melly was ready to go to trial. Then they were like they were unprepared. Then the state said they were prepared. Then the state said they were unprepared. So it's all type of like it's the state don't give a fuck as long as it got you in custody. You see, I think they try to push it to go to trial when you have a situation with like Tory where people are just quote unquote maybe going at the victim and the nigga is free. So if the dude's not in jail, they're gonna be like, all right, let's just get this shit to a trial. So we gonna see. Somebody said I should talk about the Melly post. Yeah, I should, right? All right. If y'all want me to go back to the Meg case and whatever, we'll go back to it. But YNW Melly, man, salute to my guy. I feel incredibly horrible for him. I don't know, man. I just feel bad for him. You know what I mean? He put up this post and he said, yo, listen, man, in the picture taken over a year ago, I'm smiling. But as I speak to you from my cell at this very moment, I'm weeping in the present. I've been mute for years about the mistreatment, discrimination, and misuse of authority, mentally and emotionally abused. I have been suffering and in fear of the Broward Sheriff's Office staff Captain Archibald, Captain Hubert, and I don't know, Exo Jean Baptiste and Exo Jenkins are just a few of the names of high-ranked staff that have enforced this treatment. Okay. On April 8th, I was told I was not allowed to use the phone indefinitely, which means forever. Captain Archibald revoked my calls for using another inmate's PIN to talk on the phone. Usually when someone gets disciplined for this, it's usually phone restricted for 30 days. It is now going on for 8 months. No other inmate in this jail is being treated this way. I haven't spoke to my family, my friends, my managers, my accountants for months at a time, and it's making it impossible to pay my bills and take care of my household livelihood, or even to talk to anyone for relaxation, for pleasure and stress relief, and worse, to handle my lawyer fees. Broward County Sheriff's Office is aware of this, and I am being hidden from the world and not hearing my family voices has mentally and emotionally tortured me into deep depression. This is entrapment. I was never given a fair warning that talking on another inmate's PIN was wrong. The holidays are approaching, not to mention my mother's birthday is on Christmas Day. Not only is this torture, not only is it torture to me, it's torturing them. I'm innocent until proven guilty, and I have all the rights to talk to my family. Whoever took my privileges have a personal vendetta towards me. This is true mistreatment and discrimination, plus pain and suffering, and I cannot do my time like this. Awaiting trial, being secluded because of my celebrity status and my social media following. Sheriff, and damn, he tags everybody. Please get on top of this situation. Somebody help me. He tags Say Cheese, he tags me, No Jumper, Meek Mill, Kim K, 300 ENT, and even Joe Biden. You could get Biden off the list. If Biden can't even get Brittany Griner out of jail for a weed pen, you're fucked. Like, let's just keep it a bean. You're fucked. I don't know, man. Obviously, the conditions in prisons, and a lot of prisons, are inhumane. A lot of the treatment in there is usually to break mentally some of these inmates. And it got to be even worse when you're being held at a jail facility as opposed to prison. What's the difference? If you're in jail, you're innocent until proven guilty. You're awaiting trial. And when some of these tactics are done, it's meant to break your will. I think that's horrible. Yeah, I send my prayers out to him. Obviously, I know some people are gonna say, "Well, please don't sit here and be like, yo, you just empathize with this dude. He's accused of killing 2 people," and I think that's where it becomes difficult, right? Because if you're accused of that, and granted, he might be fucking innocent, right? But when you're accused of that, people aren't gonna be like, let's help the guy who allegedly killed 2 guys and 2 of his friends. And I think this is why it's going to fall on deaf ears. It's easier, you know what I mean? And I think whether people have followed this case a lot or not, a lot of people have just heard enough about this case where they almost feel like Melly's fucked. Like if you hear in popular culture, people just rap about, people use, if they're like, yo, there's a drill rapper that'd be like, yo, EBK, something like, I'm whatever, like Melly. Everybody just literally just thinks when they think about YNW Melly as a nigga who killed his homies. Like they don't even think that he innocent, bro. Unfortunately. And I think that probably is, not helping the situation because let's be honest, it depends on the crime you're charged with and also your face card why people would help you. I'm going to be honest with you. Do you remember, and I think this is why like even people like Casanova and other people, when they're locked up, they kind of look at the treatment for other people. When Meek Mill was locked up, bro, it looked like everybody went through heaven and hell to try to get him out. You get what I mean? And I think it was only for a few months. I could be wrong. When and by the way, not that I'm saying a few months saying horrible. When 21 Savage was locked up, instantly Jay-Z put his top lawyers on it. And granted, obviously, this is just a different level of offense because you're accused of killing your 2 homies. But unfortunately, I don't think a lot of people are going to feel bad for Melly. I think a nigga like Kodak got off really good when Trump decided to hear his case and pardon him. To this day, the whole Melly situation just don't make sense to me. I try to listen to everybody use these either conspiracy theories or whatever the case is because what's glaringly missing is what's the motive. You don't just grow up with a couple of dudes. And even if you have an argument or even if y'all fall out, you don't just smoke them. Like that just doesn't happen. You don't just be like, yo, I'm clapping my homies tonight and then I'm going to perform tomorrow. Okay? That it just doesn't make logical sense. And I think people have been trying to figure out what the motive is. And yes, there's been like, rumors like, oh yeah, they were threatening him to send third. But still, I still can't find nothing concrete that'd be like, yo, oh, okay, that makes sense. Like, think about even the Megan Tory shit. Like, when we talk about it, like, we almost damn near try to, like, create, like, a sequence of events, right? Where we're like, yo, this happened and be like, okay, we're kind of understanding how all these things led up to a shot being fired and Meg being hit accidentally or whatever. You get what I mean? And I think that's just kind of where, bro, I don't know what happened with this case, man. Somebody said they came for his mom. Okay, let's use some sense. If you're in the car with your 2 homies, for you to kill them, bro, y'all got to be arguing. It's no way you're going to, bro, that would be just one of the dumbest murders in history. Why would you kill them right when they're sitting next to you? Also, think about this too, bro. Like, imagine if one of them had to drop on you. Like, you have to shoot 2 people. One to your, where they said Melly was. I think Melly was either in the back. Is it the back right or the back left? Anyway, he got to shoot one nigga in the front and he got to shoot one nigga next to him. That sounds crazy. Yeah, I know he was in the back seat. I'm saying which part of the back seat? Anyway, somebody say his lawyer's working overtime. Nigga, I don't know, bro. Anyway, I feel bad for Melly. I had the opportunity of talking to Melly once, allegedly. I'm trying to get nobody in trouble. Long time ago. On the phone, and he was in jail for this current offense. And I was impressed by it, and I've still been impressed by his raw talent. The nigga sang me for like an hour straight. I've never seen some shit like this. An hour straight, the nigga performed a whole new album. And I was just like, nigga, where the fuck you get this material from? And he said, or I made it in here. I'm like, what? Like, what the fuck? Like, how the fuck could you just make music and know all the shit and keep it in your brain? And I do think he's just like, I think he's a creative genius. It's unfortunate some of the great minds and the great creators. Somebody says, "Hey yo, he's singing to you, bro." Like Melly's an amazing artist, bro. I'm sorry. Like if you think that's sus, whatever, bro. Bro, the nigga was hitting melodies and like you could tell he had maybe even if it was like you're beating off the wall type of shit. Like there was rhythm and pace to it. He just wasn't reading words or just memorizing words. There was like a cadence and like put it like this. It's something where if that phone call was recorded, you could have put beats over them and it would have sounded just like which I think YoungBoy did a great job with his Still Waiting shit. Feel me? Okay. Anyway, news kind of came out today. This shit is kind of shocking. I'm gonna keep it. Yeah, this is a low one. This one is kind of shocking to me, people. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Hood Rich Pablo Juan allegedly took a plea in a RICO case, and he's supposed to only serve 5 years and get the rest of the time on probation. And I'm like, wait, hold on now. That's not how the RICO really work. Ain't no RICO about to give you 15 and say, do a third and you be out. So I got to do some, like, and by the way, if you know about Hood Rich Pablo Juan, you know what I mean, he's had his, you know, his bouts with arrest and like, you know, jail and shit like that. Every time I see this shit, this is just bullshit, right? Hood Rich Pablo Juan RICO. Let's look at what he was charged with. Last week, it was reported that he was arrested in Georgia on RICO charges. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah, hold on. Fuck. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, he got a state RICO. So he got, I think it's Fonnie Willis's people who gave him that shit. By the way, Fonnie Willis, I ain't gonna lie, Fonnie Willis, if you let niggas out on some, do 1/3 of time, take 5 years and do the rest on probation, one of them be out in 2 days. I ain't gonna lie to you. Let me look up this case that he caught. Hood Rich. Okay. Oh, never mind. That's not Fulton County. Never mind. Now it's been revealed that Hood Rich Pablo Juan arrest was part of a massive crackdown on organized crime through the state of Georgia. Okay, who wrote this article? George. March of last year, Georgia Bureau of Investigation teamed up with the Upson County District Attorney. Upson? What the fuck is Upson County? Let me Google that. Upson County District Attorney. Upson County. Okay, I knew this wasn't Fonnie Willis's work. Fonnie Willis looked like she's trying to give niggas 100 years. Upson County District Attorney's Office says there was suspicious activity going around, blah, blah. Now they've linked the crime to the Rolling 20s Bloods and indicted 46 alleged suspects. Okay. That's interesting, though. So, this is what I've heard. And I've heard from some reputable people. They say that RICO charges in Atlanta is much different than RICO charges in, I don't know, say, at least federal RICO charges. And obviously, that's like given, right? But like, the Southern District of New York, which usually files RICO charges on all these gangs, like, for example, if you see most of these New York gangs, they get hit with federal RICO charges. Usually, they're not letting you do nothing below 12 to 15 years in jail. But I've heard that Georgia has this, well, first of all, they have these gang laws, which is, what's it actually called again? I just seen it. No. What the fuck is it called? It's something about like gang activity or whatever the case is. And essentially, even though Fonnie Willis is leading Fulton County, we have to imagine that whatever thug and gun of them are gonna get can't be that much different, even if Fonnie want to go hard. This is how the state of Georgia. This is how they handle these RICO cases. And if you ask me, let's just put everything into perspective and can do some comparison here. If Thug could get out in 5 years, that's a win. If Thug could get out in 5 years, say Thug get the same thing as Hoodrich Pablo won, right? Say Thug get 15 years and he got to serve 5 and then the 10 years is suspended. That's a big win, I think. Nigga, 5 years would go like that for Thug. Thug a legend. I believe that it's 0% chance that case goes to trial. 0% chance. Somebody says Thug got a snitch. On who? They want Thug for the majority of the charges. They are trying to. They did say they found a silencer and a switch at the crib, so they definitely want to know whose gun that is. I ain't gonna lie to you. Somebody says a Georgia RICO is different. So the state of Georgia. So what YSL got is a state RICO charge. Keep in mind, state RICO charges just don't go that hard. Just all around. In New York, it's not called a state RICO. It's called, what's the fucking term? For the RICOs, they'd leave it to the feds. So when Bobby Shmurda and GS9, they got the state RICO, or what New York calls their state RICO. Bobby Shmurda, GS9 arrested on, I'm going to tell you the charges. It's called, oh yeah, is it just conspiracy charged with, let me see. Yeah, I think it's just like conspiracy. Let me see. Here are the official charges against Bobby. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's conspiracy. But I think it's called conspiracy to, it's something with like gangs. The indictment, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to look up the actual name. Bobby Shmurda, GS9. Okay, I'm not going to go too hard on this. Oh, damn. Here's the fucking charging document. Or not charging document, but a press release by the prosecutor. They were indicted on conspiracy. Okay, so it's just conspiracy charges, I guess, whatever. But that's their quote-unquote RICO. You get what I mean? Whatever happened to Quano? Y'all see him right here? Got Quano up here. Pollard is, I think that's Bobby. Anyway, conspiracy is their case. Now, the equivalent to their charge. Now, granted, here's the thing, and this is the only reason why I say that, right? Bobby, he was offered 4 years. So Bobby was offered to do 4 years. He took 7 because Rowdy was going to do 12. So Rowdy's 12 got pulled down to 7. So he did 7. And he did 7 and what do you call it again? He did 7 and Bobby did 7. So essentially, I'm not trying to downplay that conspiracy charge. But I'm saying like it's easier, and you would rather catch the New York conspiracy charge, just like the racketeering charge for Georgia, than a Fed case. Look what they're saying that Casanova should do. This is Feds. Casanova called a Fed. That's why 6ix9ine snitched. When 6ix9ine seen that 59 years, that nigga was not getting out on 4 to 7 years, bro. Remember, Bobby was gonna get on 4 years. 6ix9ine knew he was gonna do 30, nigga. Casanova, Feds recommend. Here we go. I gotta say, prosecutor recommend. Give me a second. Okay, look. Prosecutor, my bad. I can't see what. Here we go. Prosecutors recommend 20 to 24 years for Casanova, bro. They're not fucking playing around. Again, this is that Southern District of New York U.S. Attorney's Office. These are the feds. The state gonna hit you with like, yo, take this 5, take this 7. Even though I'm not gonna lie to you, there was some dudes in GS9 who got a lot of years, but they had murders under their charges. Like they pretty much got found guilty of murder. Like they had one dude in there with like 2 bodies. So those dudes caught like the football years. But like if you didn't have a body, they were giving niggas like, all right, you take 5, you take 7, you take 8. You know what I mean? When the feds come in and they're like, yo, you take 30, you take 70, you take 200, you take 8 lifetimes. Like they don't give 2 fucks. So they're recommending 20 to 24 years for Casanova. They just locked up Sue Surf on, I believe, a federal RICO, I think. Sue Surf RICO. Yeah, he got locked up on a federal RICO. They're going to throw the fucking book at him, bro. They're going to throw the book at him. So I say all that to say, Gunna and Thug, they're not in the worst. It could be worse. It could have been a Fed case. That's why I have a lot of hope that Gunna will get out in 3 to 5 years and that Thug may get out in 7 to 10 years. Now, when I'm saying get out in those years, I'm saying that Gunna might get 5 years and Thug might get 10 years. But Thug getting 10 years, he'll be out in like 7 or maybe even 6. You know what I mean? And Gunna getting 5 years, that nigga will be out in like a year and a half from now or 2. Again, you can't really beat some of these cases, my nigga. Somebody said Gunna not doing 5. In what world do y'all keep saying Gunna's not doing whatever? Bro, it's a fucking RICO case. They're looking, I know y'all ain't looking at, y'all like, yo, Gunna ain't like that. Bro, it don't matter. According to the indictment, Gunna is basically the nigga who calls shots and sanctions all the fuckery from happening. So it don't matter if you think he's like that. You think he's gonna go to trial with the state and catch an L? You're not gonna win these cases, bro. They already got snitches. You gotta remember, think about 6ix9ine's case. You know 6ix9ine would have never been seen as a snitch. Remember, Shotty pleaded out. Everybody pleaded out. Everybody said they wanted no smoke. No, once they heard that 6ix9ine had a possible 5K1 letter, they know he was going to testify. Once they seen the videotape of the driver with the fucking car that was like a bait car, the shit was more wired up. Nigga, the shit was more wired up like a fucking explosive in Afghanistan, nigga. Bro, once they seen all that shit, phones tap, Shotty hearing his voice talking to all type of people. Nigga, once they seen all that shit, they said, we're good. We're pleading out. The only nigga who took it to trial are the niggas who kidnapped 6ix9ine, and they went with the dumbest excuse ever. They said, yo, well, we ain't really kidnapping for real, for real. 6ix9ine's a troll. We were just playing. Like, bro, that's what you went to court with? Their whole thing was that, nah, they were just playing. You know, 6ix9ine be trolling. So we were trolling. That's why 6ix9ine had to get on the stand. How much them niggas get? And by the way, this nigga's an absolute demon. Harv, sentenced to, let's see what he got. No, that's Harvey Weinstein. What the fuck? Oh. Okay. Yeah, 24 years. When it comes to the feds, they usually start off at about 20. They like the 20s. You feel me? When it comes to the feds, they start you off with a nice 20. And the reason why they gave him 24, if you really want to be technical, is because you got to serve 85% of that, which means he's going to serve a smooth 20. I think around 85% of that is 20 years. So they gave him 24. The minimum you could do is the 85%. You got to do like 85% of your time. So that's going to be at least 20 years. No wonder 6ix9ine was up in there. Nigga, 6ix9ine was describing the mole on this nigga's face. This nigga 6ix9ine was describing every pimple this nigga had, bro. You know what the illest part about what 6ix9ine was telling on this nigga? They say 6ix9ine was in the witness stand with his feet up, kicking it back. They say, oh, do you see the man who kidnapped you in court today? He said, 6ix9ine said, yo, what up, Harv? Yo, that shit crazy. That's crazy. Yo, you ever seen like the fucking transcript of what 6ix9ine said? Bro, that nigga was tweaking. Nigga, they said 6ix9ine was comfortable as hell cracking jokes. Nigga, they said when they brought up Jim Jones, they be like, yo, hey, so do you know fellow rapper Jim Jones? The nigga had jokes in court. The nigga said, no, he not a fellow rapper. He like a retired rapper. He sneaked this in Jim Jones. Yo, how comfortable do you feel, bro? Y'all see the transcript? Let me see. Let's see if I can find it. I used to have it. 6ix9ine testimony transcript. Let me see if I can find this shit. Okay. Let me see. Hold on. Portion. Yeah, it's a 250-page testimony transcript. Let me see where is that? Oh, my man Inner City Press was holding it down back then. Hold on. We gotta find all this shit. Hold on. This is all the shit that he was saying in court. I think he say he ain't get jumped in or nothing. Hold on. Yo, it says 6ix9ine did the gang handshake with himself, and they say, yo, who taught you that? He said 6ix9ine gonna be like, yo, my nigga Shotty, he right there. He taught me that shit. Shotty, what up? Yo, this is crazy. He said, I'm doing with Shotty a lot. He said the 9 with your index finger and your thumb. He said, Nuke taught me that too. They showed him another picture. He said, nah, I think I was getting the hang of it there. Nah, this is ill. Hold on. I gotta. So could you identify the niggas in the photograph? He said, I don't know the nigga in LA at. So what Mel Murder wearing? Hold on. Nigga, he had some funny shit, man. I gotta look up the shit about Jim Jones. 6ix9ine. Let me see. 6ix9ine, Jim Jones, retired rapper. Yo, the prosecutor say, yo, who is Jim Jones? Yo, retired rapper. Hilarious, bro. That's why 50 was clouded. 50 Cent say, yo, he said Jimmy's a retired rapper, yo. Nah, this nigga, yo, hold on. I'm gonna search this nigga's name. We're gonna find it. Let me see, 6'9". It's in the transcripts. I got to get that for y'all. It's one point they're like, yo, 6'9" is reclined in his seat, and now is like cracking jokes. Anyway, y'all know what it is, bro. Yo, so I basically said all that to say, man, yo, if I had to give a prediction, I think 7 to 10 for Thug, 3 to 5 for what do you call it again? Gunner. By the way, salute to On Smash, by the way. I don't know if you ever visit their website. Salute to On Smash. This is one of the only like outlets I see. Like, they're pretty neutral when it comes to me, and they're also pretty favorable. I really like their site, you know what I mean? Fuck with them, you know what I mean? They're definitely chat nigga friendly. Anyway, so I think Thug might get like 10 years, and then he just do like 7 and get out. By the way, keep in mind, you know who about to get out? I'm gonna tell you who about to get out. Pooh Shiesty. I think he put out a message on Instagram too. Yo, he says he's getting out like he's getting out like in a year. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, actually, he's in the feds, ain't he? Yeah. What's his name? Launcher Williams, BOP Gov. You can see people's sentence on here. Inmates, find an inmate. Let's find him by name. Launtrell Williams. Got him. Right, this is him right here. 23. Damn, he's young though. Pooh young. Okay, this is him right here. Let me click on it. 23. His release date is, it says 2026. Why does it say 2026? How much did he get sentenced to? It's going to be before 2026 because obviously he's going to get like 15%, off. So really, I think he's getting off sometime 2025 or 2024. Let me look at what he was sentenced with. 5 years? He got 5 years? Sentenced 5 years. He was sentenced to 5 years and 3 months, right? So where my handy dandy calculator at? I miss Pooh Shiesty, I ain't gonna lie. That nigga was like a breath of fresh air, bro. I like his rapping style. It's mad smooth. Calc. Here we go. What the fuck? Oh, here we go. All right, here my calculator go. All right, so 5 months and 5 years and 3 months, which is gonna be 5 times 12, 60 plus 3, so 63 months, right? So you got to do 85% times 0.85. So you got to do literally 53 months. Now I got to look at this shit right here. How long has he been locked up for? Because he's been locked up for a while. Let's see. Pooh Shiesty arrested. When was he arrested? Because you gotta give him time served. How long was he locked up for? He was locked up in Miami in 20. What the fuck? How long have you been locked up for? Wife and Lucci update, bro. Nigga, they doing that nigga dirty too, bro. Continue. Bro. Where is it at? When did he get arrested? He was arrested in June 2021. So June 2021 to June 2022 is a year. So let's minus 12 off of this. And then June, July, August, September, October, November. Let's put 5 more months, so minus 5. So 46 months left. Divide that by 12 to see the years. Damn, that nigga still got 3 years, nigga. Nigga, I was over here doing the math hoping I could see like a year and a half left, nigga. That nigga still got 4 years, bro. Nigga, you still got 4 years, my nigga. All right, man. Bushaisi, my prayers go out to you, brother. Y'all said what? Somebody said if Chinese kitty let me hit, would I hit? Nah, Chinese kitty look good though. Chinese kitty bad. Yo, did you see my nigga Rowdy a stubborn nigga, bro. Rowdy put out, and I guess, he ain't want people to think, and that's why I keep telling you, man, ego is the worst thing that ever happened to a gangster rapper, bro. You get me? Like, I really saluted Bobby for just kind of coming out and be like, yo, bro, honestly, we ain't had no business talking about that. Like, yo, bro, like, we should have left that shit alone. And when he said bro knew he shouldn't have said nothing, he was talking about Rowdy. And obviously, that was his, like, Bobby went up to Math Hoffa to speak on it. Everybody ran and basically said, yo, that's kind of growing up of him to say, we shouldn't, that back and forth was a misunderstanding. We should have never said nothing about it. Rowdy gonna come out because, now niggas like, oh, shit. Yeah, them niggas know what's up with young boy. You see, this is what happened when people kind of get in your head. Rowdy puts out a message saying, I said what I said. Like, come on, bro. You know what I mean? Like, I hate when rappers try to do the thing where, like, they trying to prove to, like, I don't even know the who that they not tough, but there's nothing wrong with saying, you know what, my bad, I was tripping. There's nothing wrong with that. Anyway, people were wondering, well, bro, didn't Bobby just say that you shouldn't have said it? So who are you talking to? He responded by saying, I could never be with my brother Bobby. He freed me from a whole bid, but you other niggas heard what I said. My only thought to this is that, Rowdy, I don't think you even give a fuck about this like that, bro. And I think in life, we as black dudes, bro, we gotta stop going to war over shit we don't care about that much. Our egos could be our worst, it could be our worst enemy. Because you end up going to war and you end up having to defend a point, or you're ending up fighting for some shit you barely believe in or you don't care that much about. And I'm not saying niggas shouldn't, stand their ground, but at least if you're going to stand your ground and, cause dissension and do all this shit, make sure it's some shit you're passionate about, bro. And I don't think he's passionate about this at all. Somebody said the emoji's wild. What does this emoji mean right here? Because I use it a lot. All right. Anyway. I hope they all get together on that. By the way, I think this is interesting. I know some of y'all don't really like all the music news shit. This is an interesting story. I'm gonna try to see if I can pull it. But it was behind the Billboard Biz page. I think I have a login for that. But Triller removes what music? Let me see if I can find it from another source. Then. Okay. Here we go. Damn, everybody wants you to pay for their fucking articles these days. Here we go. Fuck. Complete. Maybe it's this. Okay, here we go. Finally. Okay. So Triller's removing music from his app as the label deals expire or are reassessed. And I think Triller already was making like a pivot to not be the app that was competing with TikTok. Tell me if I'm wrong. Wasn't it like the first TikTok? It was kind of like Vine, but like for music. And then TikTok came and pretty much just kind of, I won't say ripped them off, but just did it better. And then they still try to like compete, but all of a sudden I saw them doing boxing and concerts. And essentially all I'm trying to say is that Triller's about to be out of here. Because one of the major things that people knew them for were those little catchy songs that people could see you do a Triller to. And essentially what this means is that Triller can no longer have people putting up popular music on their shit. Like, the reason why you could play a Drake song and do a challenge to it is that TikTok has a license with Universal Music Group. Triller's basically saying they're out of the game. So I'm pretty sure they're going to go under soon. Like, I don't know what the fuck this is. Anyway, let me just try to skim through it. So possibly because his deals with the record labels are expiring, or possibly because his owes. Yes, this is it. They owe a lot of money. And they're probably trying to save some money. And they said possibly because users aren't interested in all that music. That's cap. They reported that they're removing tracks controlled by all three majors. No, this is the reason why SoundCloud also kind of like, was in a weird space. The end of the day, these top three behemoths, Warner, Sony, Universal, they could control who pops and who doesn't. And if you don't pay them the money, that's why they don't make their own streaming services. Why make their own streaming services when you niggas got to pay for them? They just make sure independent niggas don't win. So they sign up everybody in the game. You get what I mean? It's all about catalog, legacy, and also current. And as long as they own the catalog, they don't need to be competing in the tech space with Apple and Spotify. You get what I mean? Like, Spotify needs to have Drake on their platform to be good. To get Drake, you got to pay UMG. If you want to go get, I don't know, whoever that's on fucking like Sony. There's a bunch of big artists on Sony. You got to pay them. Anyway. Okay, Sony Music currently locked in legal dispute, having sued in August over claims that a digital firm had a history of making late payments. Oh, yeah, okay, so they going broke. That's what it is. See? Sony Music suing Triller, saying they making late payments like a nigga on Section 8 who always fucking a bitch, but when it come to first of the month, ain't got no payment for you, man. And really, Section 8 paying 80% of the rent. All they got to pay is like $100. Still late. Requests for payments have been met up with near total radio silence. Yeah, it's over. Triller broke. If you ask a nigga for payment, you ask a company for payment, and they don't even respond, broke. Billboard reports cited one major label source who reckoned that similar disputes over late payments and millions of unpaid royalties were why music was now being removed from the app. However, Triller's spokesperson insisted that those claims are false and gross inaccurate. What else are they going to say? In a lengthy statement this week, Triller said that the accusations that they were taking out music because of millions of unpaid royalties is simply not true. We have current agreements with Universal Music and Warner Music, which is more than 65 of the used popular music. You notice they didn't say Sony because they're not paying Sony. And really, it's basically they get taken to their collection agency by Universal and Warner. These niggas is broke, man. And what I mean by broke, like literally they just can't pay their bills, so that app is just going to go under. Of the three major labels, Sony's the only one we don't have a current agreement with. We have a dispute with Sony over $2 million. One will be decided in the court system. You're not making no money if you will not renew a contract with Sony Music Group over a measly $2 million. And when I say that, I'm talking about a company-wise. TikTok is making billions per quarter. You think $2 million would stop them from having, just think about everything that falls under Sony. No. So again, I could tell money's a thing here. Anyway. Anybody who got some shit with Triller, if you sign a deal with them niggas, make sure you get your money up front. And without having to shell out the money, the statement explained the Triller company will make more profit, making the whole venture more desirable as it proceeds with its planned IPO. Hell fucking no. Trilla, it's no way Trilla's about to go. They're trying to make an initial public offering? Oh, this is going to be fucking atrocious. Okay. All right. That's a little business geek in me, like business and tech geek in me. I like reading shit like that. Anyway, back to the bullshit. This was kind of cool. This is a Mexican group named Fuerza. This is a Mexican group named Fuerza Regida. They performed in Chicago and they decided to do like a cover of Chief Keef Love Sosa. This shit was fire.
Motherfucking noise! These bitches love Sosa. Oh, and I know it. Fucking with them old boys. You won't get fucked over. Rarries and robots. Get on the G-Sosa. Get on with that Cobra. Now that was some dope. They do it off of Sosa. You wasn't making no loss. Y'all know what I'm wrong. Your clip full of robots. God got some robots. God got some robots. We should be dope boys.
I ain't gonna lie to you, man. Not gonna lie to you. I think Love Sosa might be the fucking just national anthem of Chirac. Fuck all that. Anyway, let me see what else been going on in this bitch. Yo, there's been this whole conversation recently, right? Over this 50-50 shit, right? So, okay, let me try to dig into this, okay? And for the people who rocking with me, let's really have a conversation. So, Big Glow recently said, and let me play exactly what she said, okay? Because I've realized that, you know, my comments towards it and how people are taking it, everybody's using and regurgitating these, you know, manosphere talking points. And I think there's some middle ground to be had there, okay? So let me see if I can play it. Where's Big Glow? Where's Big Glow talking about this? Where's she at? Where's she at? Where's she at? Where's she at? It's... What the fuck? Right here.
But it's the topic on the 50-50 with a relationship. Me, personally, I feel like you supposed to go 50-50 with because it just gets you to the point where, like, you just feel like you don't got to do nothing. Like, he gonna make you lazy. And as a woman, you should want to have your own going. You shouldn't want it to be where to leave you today. He was paying all the bills and now you got this weight on your shoulders. You shouldn't want that. Like, you should be able to, like, feel like, okay, if you leave, I'm good. If you stay, I'm good. Like, either way, I'm good. Like, and you should want to be a team. Like, the more money y'all make, the more money y'all make, the more get done. Like, if he just buying, if he paying for everything, don't you want gifts sometimes? Don't you want to buy you sometimes? Like, and don't you want to buy something from him? I just feel like it should be 50-50. Like, it's a team effort. But it's the topic on the 50-50 with a relationship. Me, personally.
All right, okay. So that happened. I seen people chiming all over the place, but notably, I seen Big 30 respond, and he actually wrote a bunch of shit. I'm going to read it right now. He said, I wish I would stop talking about this 50-50 household shit. That shit make believe. It ain't never going to be that. It's always going to be 40-60, 70-30, or shit, sometimes 100-0 on Geo. I don't say that word. Or I don't do that type of swear. Anyway, these hoes don't be worth shit. Bringing shit to the table. And I ain't even going to speak on a broke ass nigga because where I'm from, we born to break on a bitch. We ain't got nothing, we asking for it. What the fuck? What the hell is he talking about? And I ain't gonna even speak on a broke ass nigga because where I'm from, we born to break on a bit. We ain't got nothing, we asking for it all. What the fuck is he talking about? Anyway, okay. I seen some other people, and by the way, who else has like commented on this? I wanted to hear some more people's perspective. Because I seen some people turn this into almost like a manosphere talking point type of conversation. Where all of a sudden they were like, yo, all that 50-50 shit, you gonna get a lot of like people, you know, back talking you. Yo, who said that recently? I was hearing somebody talk about it. Who else was talking about it? There was somebody who was talking about. Here's the point. What I'm trying to say. The reason why I like what Glorilla says, because ideally, obviously, usually men are the providers, but the message that's been spread in the industry recently is solely one of, let's just abuse these men and take advantage of their earning potential. You don't like them, just fuck a nigga for a bag, get a Birkin, let these niggas take you all over the world. And what's happening, I've always told y'all, is that it's young girls and women who are working at McDonald's who are trying to adopt that mentality. Like, all of these chicks think they got Birkin pussy. All of these chicks think that, they should require what another woman is getting. And yes, granted, put it like this. I'm in a different earning bracket than a lot of people. Like, if I'm with a woman, of course, I'm not going to say, let's go 50-50, right? But when women who don't even live like that are preaching it to, like, other women who, honestly, like, if you were a regular dude and say I both work at Walmart, bro, you shouldn't expect that nigga to pay for everything for you. Like, you should be trying to pool y'all resources together until y'all could level up or some shit like that. That's why I appreciated what Glorilla was saying, because it's realistic. It's realistic for the average person that is out here. When y'all listening to the City Girls, this and third, bro, they're just giving you a tutorial on how to be an escort. This is why the majority of women are treated like shit, because y'all all want the same 30 rich niggas, and then y'all wonder why y'all are 59th in a fucking harem. You're not going to get treated pretty good. You know what I mean? So again, you have the City Girls and Sweetie who are literally just teaching these women how to be escorts. And even if you want to say the whole 50-50 shit is not a long-term solution, at least give credit to Glorilla for not trying to sell some false facade for young women to try to live up to, because when they do that, it's just not positive. Does that make sense, or am I like all over the place? Bro, City Girls rapping just only teach women how to be escorts. I remember when I was working 2 different jobs, and I've told you guys the story already. It's about, like, women innately don't want to go 50-50, and I'm not saying that it necessarily has to be 50-50 because some of y'all got control problems too. I heard somebody say, well, if a chick paying 50-50, that means she's going now, talk back to me this and third. If you think that only paying will just get compliance from a chick, I don't think that's necessarily the case. Now, usually you paying the bills, usually you make the decisions, right? But not in every case. She got to put money in your hand? What the fuck are you talking about? Woman either wants to be... Post what VOD? What are you talking about? Fuck a Birkin, give you a house. Okay. Anyway, for all you conspiracy niggas, and by the way, I'm almost about to join y'all only on this one fucking matter. I'm almost about to join y'all. You know me, I lash out against conspiracy theorists, especially when, their whole premise of their conspiracy theory is that, they don't require proving what they think. They just, as long as they could bring up some skepticism of what's accepted, they feel like their thoughts should be just accept the other side. You know what I mean? It's really because of distrust of a lot of shit. Anyway, apparently there's the 4th billionaire crypto nigga who died. Bunch of crypto dudes are dying. 4th crypto billionaire found dead. And I've seen this. I'm looking for like credible websites we see it here, and salute to Rap House TV, but they don't even tell this nigga's name. Fourth crypto billionaire found dead near beach in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Let's Google it. Crypto billionaire dead San Juan. Right? What the fuck? Okay, they're saying, look, they're saying that this guy's name is Nikolai Mushegian, or whatever his name is. Right? Oh, KTLA actually. Never mind. KTLA is pretty reputable. 2 crypto titans found dead. We see.
Wake of the crypto market downturn. It's extremely unfortunate. After posting several cryptic tweets that led to speculation to the circumstances of his death, Nikolai Mushegian, founder of Maker, Maker DAO, an autonomous protocol that facilitates borrowing, lending, and savings, was found dead in San Juan, Puerto Rico on November 1st. The 29-year-old's body was retrieved from the ocean fully clothed with his wallet and other personal belongings still intact. So people are questioning this all over social media, Instagram, Reddit, all over the place, and it's just a little fishy, but I won't dive deeper into that. Following that story, the New York Post reports on November 23rd, another crypto titan was unexpectedly found dead in his bed at age 30. This man here, Tien Kullander, co-founder of Amber, a Hong Kong-based crypto trading platform valued at about $3 billion, was found dead in his home. His death is currently under investigation. Again, the only reason I wanted to bring these stories to you is because the Reddit community and Instagram and basically most of social media platforms are speculating how both of these young men, very healthy, suddenly and unexpectedly died at very young ages. So yeah.
Whether it was a murder or suicide or...
I have no information on that.
No, I know, but
yes.
that's what people are saying is this... It's odd that somebody would die.
Yes, I don't know if you saw his tweet here, if you read that, but it's just a very weird, again, cryptic tweet. So, yeah, very unfortunate. And lastly, I do have one more for you guys. Finally, what does the food service DoorDash have in common with the world's third largest crypto exchange, Kraken? Any guesses out there? No? Okay.
I don't know.
All right. They both announced major layoffs today. Oh! It's very unfortunate. Yes, Kraken has been around since...
Okay. So maybe this is true. Crypto community, okay, so one guy is this guy right here. He died while sleeping at the age of 30. In a statement released by his representatives, he was said to be a respectful and thoughtful leader and a widely recognized as a pioneer for the industry. His depth of knowledge, his willingness, blah, 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 blah. That's interesting. Who are the other ones? I'm gonna be honest with you. It's 2 things I think is either happening. Number one, first of all, I'm gonna comment on this with the premise of believing that these are real, right? And I'm seeing more reputable sources like New York Post is pretty reputable. Yeah. Oh, there's some more information right here. Watch. See. He tweeted out the CIA and Mossad and some pedo elite are running some type of sex trafficking, entrapment, blackmail ring out of Puerto Rico and the Caribbean islands. What the fuck? They're going to frame me with the laptop planted by my ex-girlfriend who was a spy. They will torture me to death. The 29 left his $6 million beach house for a walk, and little after 9 a.m., a surfer off Ashford Beach spot a spot so considered rife with riptides that local hotels warm against ocean swimming, discovered his body in the waves. He was wearing his clothes and had his wallet on him. News of his death coupled with Okay, what do y'all think that happened? What do y'all think happened? I want to hear the cynics in here. You think he committed suicide? Okay. Don't call me Kyrie Irving, but I got a thought. This nigga not dead. Everybody just seeing what happened to that SBF nigga, where he done fucked off like billions of people's money. He's probably gonna go to prison. You feel me? And what's probably happening is these niggas are setting up fake deaths to get out of Dodge. They're already billionaires. It's only billionaires. If you could be a billionaire and just fake your death and get off the grid, you're using Bitcoin anyway. Just dip, nigga. Bro, you don't want to get arrested, my nigga. All of these fuck niggas, all these young niggas, bro, all that we're doing is fuckery with Bitcoin, bro. All of them was finessing. All of them was doing crime. Nigga, just think about it. You think this nigga was caring about your money, nigga? Fuck no, nigga. This nigga was finessing. Bro, they all know we're in a time. Yo, look at crypto recently. All this shit, all of the fluff is about to get deleted and SEC about to jump in. It's really only going to be a few exchanges, and it's probably going to end up being like maybe like 5 coins, period. Everybody else who finessed the system while it was hot is realizing the pressure is finna come down on them and rather wait to stage a death. Niggas, just stage your death. Just stage your death. Be like, yo, I'm out of here. It probably is worth it for them too, because they could quote unquote die the hero still. Because at some point, niggas gonna look at them and be like, nigga, how many people money you done stole? Somebody said they found his body. They gotta do a DNA check for me. Like, no disrespect. They gotta show that nigga corpse like King Von, bro. Like, no disrespect. I'm just saying we gotta see the nigga. We gotta see him. Like, you feel me? Nah, bro. Nah, nigga. These are billionaires, bro. Nah. Talking about the face was unrecognizable, nigga. He kept his wallet in his... Yo, if a nigga killed himself and kept his wallet in his pocket, he wanted to be found. This kind of seems too much like, hey, find my body when I'm dead. It doesn't seem like I'm trying to just disappear. Do a DNA test, and even then I wouldn't believe it, bro. Nigga, this is some Jason Bourne shit. You know how many times they thought Jason Bourne was dead, nigga? Nigga, this like, you ever watch the end of every Jason Bourne movie? They chase him, he jumps in the water, they look over, they shoot in the water a bunch of times, they're like, well, he's dead. Then it shows the next day, they'd be like, hey, we never found the body of Jason Bourne, but he died from drowning in the water. I guess Jason Bourne is dead. Then all of a sudden, you see like him looking like he's drowning, and he just starts swimming away. See you in the sequel, bitches. See you in the fucking sequel. You thought I was out of here. I'm in this bitch still, nigga. No, for real. Every time Jason Bourne, they really on that nigga, bro. This nigga jump in a pool of water, and they never have a diver. Nobody could swim. Soon as he hop in the water, they're like, well, I guess he's gone now. Every fucking movie, Jason Bourne in the water acting like he's drowning, and right before the credits kick in, nigga, you hear, he's like, backstroke, nigga. Like, yo, this nigga do all type of shit. You're like, what? Oh, shit. Somebody said the elites killed his ass. Bruh, I think my theories make sense more than the elites. Nigga, who the fuck is the elite, nigga? These niggas is scammers, bro. All these crypto niggas, bro, are scammers, my nigga. Like, bro, like, yo, let's be honest, bro. Did you think a nigga SBF, look at this nigga right here. Did you think Andrew Tate had like some good shit about SBF. Andrew Tate, Yeah, that's why you gotta listen to the Top G, man. Look at this shit.
Let me give you all some advice. I've lived a very long life. I've met a lot of people. I've been broke.
Top
I've been
fucking
rich.
G, nigga.
I've done it all. And 100% of the time when I meet a person who has lots of money and is very, very frugal with their lifestyle, they are not a good person. 100% of the time. I have a Bugatti. I'm sitting here. I've got a diamond Patek.
Come
I've
on,
got
man.
fucking $6 million of watches.
Come on, man.
$15 million of cars.
Come on, man.
I give money away. I'm philanthropic. Fine. When I know people with lots of money and they sit there and they want to drive an old Toyota Corolla, or they're very frugal, they talk about investing, and they save money. These people are always fucking weirdos. Money has no value past a certain number.
Hold on. Let me bring it up. SBF Toyota. I think he had a Toyota, bro. I think the nigga said he had a car. He had like an old busted car, bro. Hold on. Where is the shit, nigga? He showed his car. He was just like, bro, like, I'm like fucking regular as hell. Hold on. I'm trying to find, like, he was in front of a car, my nigga. All right, fuck it. Let's play tape.
Number. And if you're going to sit there and hoard it past a certain number, there's actually a degree of greed inside of you. I'm not the greedy one. Me with my Bugatti and my diamond watches and my hundreds of millions of dollars buying everything, buying penthouses in Dubai. I'm not greedy. I'll give my money away. It's the people who hoard and live these very fucking boring, frugal lifestyles that are truly greedy. And they're truly evil. FTX is a perfect example. If this motherfucker was driving a nice fat Lambo and he had a big diamond watch and was living a life which a millionaire should live, I would have trusted him a bunch more. But when he sat there and said, I only drive a Corolla and I give all my money away and I just try and hoard it all to just help people, an alarm went off in my head, because everybody I know who is like this 100% of the time in my human experience ends up being full of shit. Full of shit. Man. What he is a fucking dork who wanted to be powerful and influential. He realized that money won't stop him being a nerd because the girl he's hanging around with is still getting plowed by his fucking blockchain dev. So he wanted to have power, and when you want power, you need unlimited money, so he became infinitely greedy, trying to get as much money as possible to buy political parties, pretend he's doing charitable acts, just to have influence and control over other people, then stands up and goes, I drive an old car and I have a cheap t-shirt. And you know what? You dumb fucks believed him. You sat there and go, oh yeah, he's a good person. He won't famoose me for all my money. He doesn't care about money. People like him care about money more than people like me, because people like me spend our money. Beware the frugal man. I ain't got a single fucking frugal friend. Not one. When we go out, we hit it big. We fucking on the biggest jets and the nicest cars with the nicest watches. We spend money. And these people are people you can fuck.
Yo, listen to my boy Tate, man. Nah, that's true though, man. Like, if you look at all these crypto niggas, bro, like, come on, bro. Like, come on, dog. Bro, this nigga look like he's a 360 no scoper, nigga. You're telling me that this nigga is the billionaire, my nigga? Like, bro, come on. Let's get a grip here, people. Somebody said Mark Zuckerberg. No, well, Mark Zuckerberg came up the right way through some tech nerd shit. These niggas, they're scamming, nigga. Y'all niggas is dumping y'all money into some of these exchanges owned by these niggas, bro. You think these niggas is gonna protect your money, bro? This nigga look like he spends the daytime playing Valorant and the nighttime playing Overwatch, nigga. Come on, bro. All I'm just saying. So this nigga supposedly died? Nah, nigga, I'm not believing that. Let me watch a video on this. Billionaire crypto debt. The suspicious. I need like a short video. Is there a quick video on this? Bro, I'm gonna just be honest, man. I think they faking it death, bro. Because I know y'all want to believe there's some other elite Why would the elite kill these niggas when they could just control them? Bro, it's a fucking bunch of video game, like, 360 no-scope kids that's now billionaires, right? Like, bro, why kill them? Just control them. People are always going to make money. Watch Candace Owens. I fuck with Candace.
What if this actually happened? Ready? What if I tweeted one day that the CIA and the Mossad were going to attempt to frame me and then torture me to death? And then 4 hours after that tweet, I was found dead in an ocean. What would you think? Do you think that it was just an accident, that the timing of my tweet was suspicious, and then I naturally drowned? I'm asking you that question for a reason. I'm asking you because it's actually happened to somebody, and this story that I read completely sent...
Man, I might have watched like an hour of this, man. Not fuck with Candace, though, but shit. Who do y'all think is... this is what I hate about y'all tinfoil niggas. At least I'm coming up with a real, maybe tangible thing. Y'all like saying the elites. Who are the elites? So y'all like, maybe the elites killed them. Who? Give me some names. Who do you think would have called the hit out on these billionaire crypto niggas? She said it in the video. Let me see.
And a shiver are agreeing on a moral issue. I love that. I'm going to be clear. This sounded to me like a conspiracy theory that Jeffrey Epstein was a part of our intelligence agencies, right? That he was actually operating a blackmail ring. And this is the reason why nobody would prosecute him, because he was a protected CIA asset, right? So the idea is that Jeffrey Epstein would get very powerful people to attend his parties. He would bring them out on the Lolita Express. He would bring him to his island in the Caribbean. Remember, he somehow had enough money to purchase an entire island, Little St. James. And he would get them to sleep with women, maybe unbeknownst to them that these women were very young. And then he'd have blackmail. He would record the acts, and then suddenly he had control over people all around the world. Because, hey, if you don't do what we say, we're going to show this video of you sleeping with a 14-year-old. That sounds crazy, right? I thought it sounded crazy, and so I never reported on it. I just sort of stayed out of it and just reported on the strangeness. It was absolutely, of course, it was bizarre that this man seemed to keep falling through the cracks of our legal system, despite all of the evidence that he was involved in sex crimes. And by the way, this conspiracy theory of him operating a blackmail ring didn't come from nowhere. Actually, it came from somewhere. It came from Alexander Acosta, being just one individual that leaned into this conspiracy theory. He was the former U.S. attorney. If you don't remember Alexander Acosta, he was a former U.S. attorney and listed his place of residence as Saudi Arabia. That's according to federal prosecutors. Now, scared. Maybe they understand week, which is bizarre. And there was another one who just died yesterday. His name is Vyacheslav Taran. Pardon my pronunciation here. 53 years old. He died after his helicopter plunged near the resort town in Switzerland. One, suicided by CIA. Two, CIA brain damage slave asset. Three, worst nightmare of people who effed with me up until now. I am sure these are the only options. He tweeted that on September 4th. And that if I read that tweet and he was still alive, I would think that he was just crazy, but he's not. He is dead. He's not the only person in the crypto world, as I mentioned earlier, that has died. There was another man named Tantan Kullander, 30 years old, who died in his sleep last week, which is bizarre. And there was another one who just died yesterday. His name is Vyacheslav Taran. Pardon my pronunciation here. 53 years old. He died after his helicopter plunged near the resort town in Switzerland after taking off from Lausanne on a clear day. They have no understanding of why this helicopter would have crashed. There was no weather issues. And there was another person that was supposed to get onto the helicopter that last minute decided not to. So, yeah. It is getting a bit strange, and I am not sure what is going on. I do not believe that all of these people are dying in mysterious circumstances and that they're all just happening upon their deaths accidentally. I am fearful to even have this discussion. You know, I think it's a scary idea. It's scary. My brain does not want to believe that there can be this many pedophiles in power. Does not want to believe that there can be something sinister happening that our CIA, that our intelligence agencies are involved in. But I do know that this story scares me, and it's important that I bring it to the forefront and that you know that it is taking place. And I will just read your comments and see what you all think about it.
Yeah. I'm going to be honest with you. At first, I was like, man, this is all Remember when they were saying that nigga Little Cam was dead? And I was like, yo, niggas is just kind of being cynical and believing fake stories. If this is true that it's like 3 or 4 billionaires or 3 or 4 major important people in the crypto world that died, I'm still sticking to they're faking their deaths. But if it's not that, somebody clapping these niggas. Who the fuck would kill them, though? Let me throw something into the air. Maybe it's a possibility that the crypto market is down. They got to clap some of these fools to consolidate all the crypto to get the market back good. What y'all think about that one? It's the Russian mafia. Hold on, let me see what YouTube think. YouTube, what y'all got going on over here, man? CIA. Somebody said, don't act dumb. Bro, I'm asking who y'all think is killing them, though. And killing them for what reason? I hate when y'all just tell me to be cynical. Give me like a good reason. Like if you're going to play this, I hope I don't come across like I think I'm too smart to like believe a conspiracy theory or to believe or to be woke, quote unquote. But nigga, if you're going to sell me on something, give me a good reason. Give me a good plot. Be like, yo, they're trying to get this done, so they got to get them out of the way. And shit, the best time to do it is just do it mysteriously, and they work with the FBI or the CIA and be like, you know what? That makes fucking sense. Y'all not flushing this out for me. Someone tell Act to check Brady's $600 million. Did Tom Brady lose $600 million? Tom Brady FTX loss.
What's up? The exchange collapse.
Wow.
Tom Brady and his...
Some of these niggas are boring as watching paint dry, bro. The only nigga who I like to listen to is that nigga CoffeeZilla, bro. FTX Tom Brady.
You'll remember that in 2021, NFL superstar Tom Brady joined FTX, and he may lose his entire strategic investment in the platform. So during the heart of the bull run, Brady and his then wife, Gisele Bundchen, announced that they entered into an equity deal with FTX.com and FTX US. Brady became a brand ambassador for the exchange, and Bundchen an environmental and social initiatives advisor. So this was the couple's first public foray into the crypto world.
Oh, by the way, I did get my passport. We're good to go, people.
Volatility and uncertainty.
They were so nice to the passport office. They knew me and shit like that. We were cracking jokes the whole time. Very lovely experience.
Tom Brady is not having a good year, and this just feels like...
All right, man. All I'm trying to ask is when the fuck is Bitcoin going to bounce back, man? What price is Bitcoin at right now? Bitcoin price. Bitcoin is 17,000. Ethereum price. 1,261. You know what I fucked up by buying? Nigga, I was buying shit like Ethereum Max. Like, what the fuck was that? No, it's called, Ethereum Max, I think. I bought like some dumbass shit, nigga. I'm gonna tell you some of the shit that I bought, bro. Like I lost hella money on this crypto shit, nigga. Maybe somebody is killing these fools, man. I got Ethereum Classic. Like, yo, what's going on with me, bro? How much money said I lost in this shit? Oh my God. I can't even say. I made some decent money off Dogecoin. That's the only thing I made money off. Everything I lost on. There's a point where everything was going up. Bro, I don't know about these billionaire deaths, bro. I'm going to keep it real with you, bro. Yo, somebody's killing them, and maybe it's a fucking serial killer. How about that one? Maybe it's a nigga who lost all his fucking savings with all these pump and dumps. And now he's tired of niggas playing with his fucking name, and he's going around and clapping these niggas. That makes sense. Yeah, well, whatever. I don't know, bro. If those are real, there's something fishy's going on. I don't know, man. I seen Elon Musk also talk about it recently. Elon Musk, he was on Spaces. Elon Musk, he spoke about somebody trying to kill him, or no, he said, does he feel like someone was trying to assassinate him? Let me see. Right here.
Frankly, the risk of something bad happening to me, of even literally being shot, is quite significant. I'm definitely not going to be, doing any open air car parades. If fate smiles upon the situation with me.
The very thought that nigga like Elon might think his life is in danger. And I guess this is why y'all keep saying the elites, because I guess when you try to shake things up and you affect the markets that the elites have always controlled, if you can't fall in line, you must then be eliminated. And Elon Musk does seem like he's on a mission to try to make Twitter a platform that I won't say will ever really be fully neutral, but he's really trying to take it out of the political control of both parties. And I could imagine a lot of people in power do not like that. I do believe that, the IRS going to be on his ass. I do believe some of the government funding, whether for Tesla or SpaceX, he gets a lot of emission credits. I think they're going to look into that, because once a nigga is not being able to be controlled, that's a dangerous nigga. I've always said in life, if you could be controlled, you don't matter, because you're just a cog in a wheel. You're just a button to be pressed. If they could control you, you don't matter. Somebody said Elon is part of the elites. Who Elon get killed? Somebody said, I hate when I acts this delusional. One of y'all, yo, listen, I'm about to get on Discord, man. One of y'all come fucking help me understand. Help me understand. One of y'all tinfoil wearing ass motherfuckers get on my Discord and y'all tell me what the fuck am I missing? Who's trying to kill who? Yo, y'all could join my room. Join my room and tell me what the fuck am I missing out on. Let me go get some water real quick.
Yo, that nigga just tried to kill me, nigga. That nigga Elon Musk just tried to get me clapped, bro.
Yo, boom, you trolling, man.
No, for real, bro. He just hit my phone. He said, watch your back.
Bro, hold on, yo, hold on real quick. Yeah, I'm about to get some water, but yo, you break down what you think happened to them. That
nigga, y'all chat, bro. Tell me if I'm capping, bro. This nigga Elon Musk mad because I'm about to have more money than this nigga, and he trying to kill me. Chat, I'm richer than this nigga, so he hating on a young black nigga. He text me, watch your back. Nigga said, watch your fucking back, bro. So I don't even know, y'all. This nigga gotta be part of the elite. He said, you capping? On God, I'm not capping, bro.
Holy, they trying to get Boom out of here?
Bruh, nigga, I just ran up 100 bill. Nigga wildin'. I'm chatting? Bro, man. Yeah, bro. Yeah, all right, bro. When I mysteriously die, bro, don't say I was chatting, bro. Don't say I was chatting, bro. Nigga said, why you snitching, bro? I need proof. No cap. Nah, to be honest, I don't think Elon Musk part of the elite, bro. Everybody hate that nigga, bro. Elite niggas are like Jeff Bezos and Bill Gates. Any nigga that was on that Epstein Island, bro, that's some elite nigga shit, bro. You want me to keep it a bean with y'all niggas, bro. Yo, Oz, who you think part of the elites, bro?
I ain't gonna lie. I think Elon definitely in there, bro. Like, I feel like he probably it's probably all like a sham, bro. Like, the niggas probably all connected together.
But you know, Elon Musk, he play like the hero. Like, he play like I'm not saying he is, but like, you know, he play like the normal nigga. He try to act like he a normal nigga, like posting memes and shit, doing shit like rich niggas won't do. You think that's the facade, bro?
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, because that's like the perfect kind of cover up story. Like, these niggas are against me. Like, you feel me? Like, we're enemies and shit. Like, I don't know.
Elon just got.
I don't need to
read
read more
about
about
elite,
it.
Though. I don't know.
I would be deeply remiss if they off Elon Musk.
Because if he part of the elite, why would they kill him?
Right, hold on, man. Y'all doing it again. Who's they?
Nigga.
Who's
they?
Nigga,
whoever Kanye West was talking about, nigga. They.
No.
The unknown at the top of the pyramid.
We should know and understand that we talking way above our pay grade here.
Yeah, we talking about them Goldman Sachs niggas, bro. Them rich niggas. Come on, bro. Be real.
Wait.
Balenciaga trying to kill Elon. What?
Yo, hold on. So who? All right, give me an example of an individual who would be in the they.
Like right now or of all time?
Ooh,
right now.
Right now, they.
And don't tell me I can't say the name. Come on.
George Soros?
Holy.
Okay.
Yo.
Okay.
I did not say that.
Wait, why is people so scared of saying George Soros?
Hey, bro, I did not say
that. I ain't gonna read it.
Hey, I did not say that.
Yo, I feel like people have said his name every time they said that Black Lives Matter is like...
Nigga, the Rothschilds, nigga. Nigga, the Rothschilds, nigga.
So you think the Rothschilds are like, yo, okay. All right, I'm going down the rabbit hole with y'all. I hope y'all are good conspiracy theorists. Because the good conspiracy theories, they usually make their thoughts on some shit or their theory is kind of bulletproof. Okay, why would, let's say, George Soros want to kill some random billionaire kid with bad hygiene and bad hair? Help me. Like, bring me there. Like,
why would they go after Elon Musk?
No, I'm talking about these crypto people that's dying.
Why would somebody want to kill somebody who made, for two reasons, right? One, they have a lot of digital assets stored somewhere that only they have access to. You know what I'm saying? So, like, you knock them off, you may weaken the company, because that person probably has a lot of stock or has a lot of coin. You know what I'm saying? Or you take...
Why would that matter if you're not a competitor in the space?
It's a new space, probably.
What do you mean you're not a competitor in the space?
For example, right? The SBF thing with FTX, right?
That nigga not dead, though.
No, but hear what I'm saying. The reason his company went under is because his competitor, which is the owner of Binance, which is another exchange, basically announced we're selling all our like FTT tokens, and because really they worthless, and it caused like a massive influx of people trying to withdraw. They realized the money was misappropriated, and it was a whole shitstorm. So basically what I'm trying to say is like, the reason why we're even talking about, and this is the biggest news in crypto right now, this whole FTX shit, is because his competitor really went at him, right? It would make sense that, if we both play basketball and I want a ring, if I could do something to sabotage you, I will. But nigga, if you play basketball...
It's deeper than that, because the dude actually had, if I'm not mistaken, he had some type of stake in that company as well.
Who?
My thing is like what you can't
Binance,
ignore
the Binance CEO.
Yeah, but no, you're right. But what I'm saying, he actually blew it up because he's a competitor. I'm saying y'all are talking about some elites that's not really necessarily in the crypto market, bro. Like their competitor.
Are we including government organizations as a part of the crypto market? Because they definitely are making altcoins and
Okay.
Tender coins that are tethered.
So you think it's a possibility? Governments are sending some hits to clap these niggas.
Well, that's the question. Well, once you start talking about governments, who controls the government? Businesses.
Well, I would think, right? And listen, I'm just trading ideas here. I'm not saying I'm wrong. I'm not saying y'all wrong either. And we got to just come to some type of logic, right? Because I'm down to believe a conspiracy theory as long as it kind of make a little sense. A government, right? If it's easier for them, or I would think it's easier for them to utilize the SEC to fuck with you rather than just to like commit a murder.
Probably individual people who are getting murdered is done realistically. Not a whole group of people coming together like, oh, let's kill one person. You know what I mean? There's other ways to destroy someone other than killing them.
Yo, here's here's also the thing about like, you know, everybody's saying these people, this conspiracy theory with all these people dying. I never heard not one of these billionaires before they died. Like, it's not like niggas knew them.
Yeah, but like, you know how many billionaires you don't know right now?
Yeah, they're not public figures, Act.
Yeah,
no. I know, but what I'm trying to say is that, like, for what we know, they weren't doing anything that was significantly of you know, influence in anything. And why are people just taking their death to basically lump into some conspiracy without any type of...
Bruh, but that's the thing. You making it seem like it's like a coincidence that they're dying.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that.
Abnormal ways.
No, I'm not saying that. I ain't gonna lie. That helicopter. First of all, hold on. Let's be very clear. When you and I guess this is the root of what I'm probably saying. Sometimes when we look for conspiracy theories, sometimes the answer is really right in front of us. Okay, for example, I think, which I don't. I mean, I guess this is a conspiracy theory, so maybe I'm contradicting myself a little bit. But shit, I do believe most of these niggas know they've all been scamming, bro. Like what this SBF nigga was doing, they've all been doing certain shit and playing ignorant. They know the time is gonna come, shit gonna collapse. They're possibly gonna look at jail time. Maybe them niggas was like jumping a gun, killing themselves. Number one. Number two, there's the one with the helicopter, bro. You know who the first motherfucking suspect is? If y'all about to go skydiving, you and 3 of your friends, and the nigga who planned it, last minute said, "Oh shit, I think I'm feeling sick. Y'all go ahead though." And one nigga die. Who the first suspect? Nigga, it's you. Nigga, you set us up, you bitch ass nigga. So that's what I'm trying to say. Like, yo, listen, it's a lot of money that's involved and a lot of greed. If niggas is saying YNW Melly clapped his 2 homies in a car over a little disagreement, what would you do to a nigga over some goddamn billions?
Never mind. Nigga, Rothschild.
Clintons, never mind, bro.
All right, wait, hold on. So you think the Clintons are getting these motherfuckers clapped?
I'm
if the Clintons was no.
I think it's a concerted effort on all fronts, bro. There's a
Yo,
lot of people
if the Clintons was down to get niggas clapped, don't you think the first nigga they want to get clapped is Donald Trump? Get that nigga out of here.
Come on, bro. You talk about impossibles here.
I feel like them niggas don't want to clap Donald Trump. I ain't gonna lie to you.
It's not about Donald Trump, bro. Donald Trump is a puppet, bro. What we talk about? We talk about the niggas who make fake bread, bro. These niggas been making fake bread. These niggas been making fake bread.
Assets, bro.
They been making fake bread. These niggas been making fake Tinder, bro.
They got Fugazi assets, bro, as FTT.
It's Fugazi assets, like, bro. They literally write down a piece of paper. This is a coin. We have a lot of people who said this coin is worth something, so now it's worth something.
Hey, one thing I'll say, the nigga who created Bitcoin, didn't that nigga get extra low? You ever heard about the story of the nigga who like kind of came up with the concept of Bitcoin?
No,
not really.
I don't know the story.
That nigga is low as shit. That nigga wanted to damn near be anonymous. It's kind of like he knew, like, yo, man, these niggas might try to clap me next, nigga.
Well, that's the thing. We don't even know if it's one person or a team of people. You know what I'm saying?
What was his name?
Some Satoshi. Was it?
And even that might have been like a pseudonym or something like that.
Exactly. It's a pseudonym. It's definitely a pseudonym. If it
Hey,
wasn't,
was
a
it-
pseudonym, if it was not a pseudonym, we would
Yeah,
know who
the
fuck
nigga
that
name
nigga
was
is.
supposedly Satoshi Nakamoto, and they said it was a pseudonym for the person or the people who developed the first Bitcoin software. Them niggas wanted to stay anonymous, man. In a world of cloud
Japanese
chasing,
people made that shit?
huh?
Japanese people made that shit?
You don't know. It's a
We
pseudonym.
don't even know, nigga. Yo, it might have been 3 crackheads on Crenshaw that made it, nigga. We have no idea.
It could have been all three.
Nigga, it could have been 3 crackheads on Crenshaw that made that shit, bro. Nah, I mean, there's definitely something going on, but I actually think the truth behind those things won't be like a global kill squad. I'm telling you, what comes with money is you're gonna get paranoid because people around you is looking at you like, man, they might just have to clap you to get that fucking Bitcoin wallet. Man.
Not to be
So you-
the extra conspiracy nigga, but you know, there's actual like, you know, tactics to make people get to that point though too.
So y'all feel like the tweet that he made out, the tweet that the nigga tweeted, right? Before he was found dead in the water and drowned and shit. Y'all feel like that tweet was fake?
I think it's fake, bro. I think he hit all the fucking bullet points on conspiracy niggas start
Wait,
tweaking
you think
out.
he didn't tweet that?
He tweeted it.
Nah,
but
he
definitely-
tweeted that shit, bro. He was
What
really
how
scared,
would
bro.
that be fake though?
I think he faked his death.
Tweeted it, but he like faked his death. Like he
I think
framed
he faked
it.
his death. I think
Framed
that's
it.
right about
Tupac shit, bro.
Wait. So y'all agree with me with the fake death shit?
But you gotta realize like all the money he was making, all the people that got fucked over. Also,
I mean, if they recovered the body, then sure, right?
They
Probably
had
not.
to know he was
Wait,
dead.
I do have a question. Out of the people who have died, how many of the projects have ceased or stopped since they've died? That's an important question to note. Because like if they died and then the money got funny as soon as they died, that's weird. But if the because the thing about crypto, it should last beyond the creators. You know what I'm saying? That's kind of how crypto is set up.
them niggas ain't dead, man. Them niggas is in fucking Arabia.
No, they were Tupac in Cuba.
Again, bro.
Yo, the answer's gonna be on Reddit, man. The answer's gonna be on Reddit, nigga. You just gotta go on crypto Reddit, bro. I'm on crypto Reddit right now looking up the answers,
That's
bro.
where you find the schizos, bro.
Nah, I'm serious, bro.
Them niggas are conspiracy theories.
This nigga Axe said crypto
Find the
Reddit.
schizo, find the
Bro,
kids,
y'all niggas gotta go on Wall Street bets, nigga. We'll figure out this all shit out,
You lose
nigga.
money. You lose money. Listen to that subreddit.
You lost money?
You're gonna lose money. Listen to them niggas, bro.
I made some money on Wall Street bets. I'm not gonna lie. Like you gotta go to the new comments though. Like sometimes the top comments you gonna lose money, bro. Or like the top posts you gonna lose money. You gotta go to some one nigga that know it all.
Hold on, I'm googling right now. Crypto billionaire. Crypto billionaire. I don't know, dog.
So if he dead, where his girl at?
Huh?
Nigga, where's the funeral?
What?
That's the ocean, nigga.
How all these niggas dying? We not hearing about no funerals, man.
Nigga got Ariel at the funeral, bro. It's a movie. Nigga underwater.
Y'all see SBF's girlfriend, bro? Pretty beat.
That nigga said
Yeah,
under
y'all ain't
the
gonna lie. None of them niggas was getting no quality pussy, bro. This shit's crazy.
Bro.
Oh.
I don't know. They had them M's, bro. Them Bims.
Oh. Actually, the stream SBF's girlfriend, bro.
You know what?
Way. The stream SBF's girlfriend.
This is where you know simping is a real drug, nigga. This nigga robbed billions of dollars from hardworking people to simp and trick off on his girl, bro. This is how his girl look, bro. I know you thinking it's gonna be that Lori Harvey. Fuck no, nigga.
I bet she white.
Wait,
I bet she white.
Bro,
Wasn't
this is
his
girl
girl
right here,
like
nigga.
pass around though? Wasn't they all fucking each other?
Nigga.
Like I said, escort backdoored him.
Nigga.
Oh.
Hope not. Y'all not talk about white thing.
No, that's his girl.
That's his girl, bro.
Holy.
That's
No,
his-
yeah, but there was like a 10.
Yo,
like,
this is what I'm saying. Yo, listen, man. Some of this shit don't make sense. You tell me I'm supposed to believe that this nigga right here, nigga, he gonna protect all my billions, bro, or like well, not my billions, but like billions of dollars from investors. Come the fuck on, nigga. Look at these two people right here, bro. They look like two.
Do you know what came out?
Nigga, they look like two crackheads who fell in love, bro.
Bro, they had like a sex thing. They had like a sex ring weird thing they was doing.
Oh hell no!
Damn, Bankman-Fried. This guy was playing League of Legends and fucking investing meetings, bro.
Yeah,
that's not serious.
Yeah, apparently they were in some polyamorous type of shit. Like Shorty was getting trained on her and shit.
No,
Yeah, orgies. They're having orgies in their Albany
What
mansion,
you
bro.
think they doing with all that money, bro?
I ain't gonna lie. After looking at her in the glasses, I ain't gonna lie. I feel like she set that nigga death up, bro. We need to find her.
No, that nigga still alive.
That's what I'm saying. This nigga was.
No,
that nigga,
this is
nigga. That ain't the other nigga.
Yeah, no. SBF still alive, man.
Her name got to be like Maggie or some shit, bro. Don't cap.
Nah, her name gotta be like Phoebe, nigga. Phoebe. That's a Phoebe if I've ever seen one, nigga.
Phoebe is crazy.
How old is this chick? She look kind of young.
I thought it was Helga.
No, Olga. Nigga.
How old is she? She look a little young.
I don't know, bro. You know the billionaire niggas be crazy.
You ever seen Ice Age?
Sid, chill out.
Oh, she 28. All right,
28?
good. Now I could look it up. I'm trying to.
Oh, this bitch got some Asian billionaire fucking cream on her face, bro.
Hold on, she kind of thick. I ain't gonna lie.
Is she? That's what I'm trying to find the ass picture, nigga.
Oh gosh.
Beautiful body.
Nigga, she got that. She got that. What's that shit them billionaires used to do, bro, with the blood and shit?
Yo, she got an IG. Tell me she got like a picture sitting on the sink, bro.
That's what it's called.
Yeah, does she have an IG?
Search it up. Search it up.
I gotta
They
find
about to
this
start
shit.
calling her Crypto Queen. You pull up a sync picture, these simps gonna go crazy.
Yo, she probably had the wop.
Oh, they look like Greta Thunberg.
What?
Nah, she doesn't got an Instagram.
Thunberg is funny, yo.
Nah, she don't got one, bro.
She do though. She look like Greta Thunberg.
Nah,
The
bro, ain't no way this
you feel
bitch
me?
thick, bro.
Bro said sitting on the sink, bro. Chill out.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie to you. If I'm a crypto billionaire, nigga, imagine this is the bitch I'm sharing with another man, bro. Like, come on, dog. Like, come
Hey,
on,
man.
bro.
Hey,
Yo,
all women are beautiful, bro.
Coffee. She
Some
answered
nigga said she
the
looked like Eliza Thornberry.
radio. Man,
These niggas going to hell. Yo,
she talked to animals.
I'm gonna keep it 100 with you, man. If this is my girl, nigga, and I'm a crypto billionaire, I'm paying for pussy, bro. Like, fuck it. Fuck your pride at that point. Just
in
pay for
crypto?
it, nigga.
In crypto?
Nigga,
They was
whatever,
doing that
nigga.
too, though. They was doing that.
They were doing that?
Yeah, bro. They had a whole like little weird sex ring in the Bahamas, bro.
What in the
Said she
fuck?
white little boom. Chill out.
Bro, damn near everybody who was an executive in the office was fucking each other and hiring hoes and fucking
You know.
hoes too.
Oh, word?
Yeah, bro. What you think they got all that money for? They're not just playing League of Legends all the time, bro.
They had like some shit where they were just stealing money from the whole shit, though.
He said she was the CEO of Amelda Research, the daughter of FTX.
Almeida Research.
Yo, I
Made
watched some
research,
shit
bro.
recently, bro. I watched some shit where this couple stole like $60 million in crypto, bro. And they got arrested. It's a
Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about. And she made a rap song. You talking about the bitch who
Yeah!
rapping? Yeah, I know about that. I know about that. She was rapping and shit.
Bro, nigga, I was
Bro,
stuck
I
on
think it was more than
CNBC
60
documentaries,
million,
nigga. I was stuck
It
on
was like
CNBC
600 million or
documentaries
some
watching
crazy shit.
like watching like shit ton of documentaries the other night. Look, the Crocodile of Wall Street. This shit is hilarious, nigga.
Morgan, a
gotta play a rap,
self-described
man.
serial entrepreneur and surrealist rapper who posts music videos on YouTube under her rap alias, Razzlecon.
All of a sudden, I hear this voice rapping, a female voice, and I look over on stage to see who's on the microphone, and it's Heather. She just picked up the mic and started rapping in front of the crowd.
In this music video, dedicated to misfits and hackers, she calls herself another name.
Come real far, but don't know where I'm heading. Mother crocodile of Wall Street.
If they are found guilty, the Crocodile of Wall Street and her husband could be going to jail. So who is the couple accused of laundering Bitcoin from one of the biggest crypto heists in history?
To see these people acting the way they are and just being so open about their lifestyle. And
Yo,
stuff,
chat, y'all gotta go watch it.
It was just fascinating.
I ain't gonna play
to
the whole
me.
thing.
Honestly, I could only laugh.
What led investigators to them?
And you keep pulling the threads. It's the iterative process of
identifying each lead of it. At some point, you kind of almost have to wait for the next transaction. Most
in this high rise on Wall Street.
Her phone, multiple cell phones, who has her own Instagram account.
Kitty, soft kitty, warm ball of fur.
Then IRS agents say they noticed a bin under the bed with a bag labeled burner phone, multiple cell phones, SIM cards, and
Just
a
label it burner phone.
They also found hollowed out books in Ilya's office, a file labeled passport ideas with links to darknet vendors, and about $40,000 in cash. All of it gave the feds the evidence they needed.
This is the largest seizure of cryptocurrency ever by U.S. law enforcement.
As news of the arrests broke,
the Department of Justice announcing just within the past couple of minutes the arrest of 2.
All right. Anyway, I think they stole like 60 million, or maybe it was like 6 billion. I forgot what it was.
I think it was 600 million or some stupid crazy shit.
But here's the thing: they couldn't just like, they had to try to launder the shit, which was like mad hard, because everybody knew where the money was at. So everybody knew the wallet. So they stole it from a bunch of customers, right? They stole it from a bunch of customers on some trading platform called Bitfinex or whatever, and they stole the Bitcoin and they had it in a wallet. But everybody online was tracking the Bitcoin, and they tracked it to the wallet it was at. So they couldn't snitch on themselves and just like withdraw it, because people gonna be like, yo, bro, you the person who stole my wallet or stole my Bitcoin. So they were like sitting on it for years, but trying to figure out a way how to, like, you know what I mean, turn it into cash. And they were just doing goofy shit, bro. That shit was hilarious. Anyway, yo,
you gotta post our music on your account, bro.
Yeah, nah.
Yo, Act, that's the type of shit Ice Poseidon did.
Ice Poseidon?
Yeah, kind of. Not really, though.
Wait,
That's a fact.
Ice Poseidon was scamming?
That nigga took 500,000 from his fans, bro.
Really?
500.
Swear to God.
Holy
What's
shit.
it called? EFT?
Nigga say EFT, ESTG.
That nigga took 500,000. He made them niggas.
While blinking on the term.
He made them niggas donate that shit, like buy his coin and shit. Then he rug pulled that shit.
Nigga, fuck what y'all niggas talking about. Y'all gonna keep being with you, like, well, according to the U.S. media, I don't know if this is really, it's still a dangerous like place, but nigga, Saudi Arabia, one of them places, nigga, you couldn't pay me to go. That, Iran, Afghanistan, nigga, not even Pakistan, nigga. Like anything with an Istan, nigga, I'm probably not going, nigga. Not even Istanbul. If it got an Istan, I'm not. You ain't catching Big Ack over there, nigga. None of them, nigga. Pakistan, Istanbul, nigga. Anything with an Iran,
you gotta tap into
Afghanistan. None of them shits you won't catch me at, nigga.
Dumb, bro.
Hell no.
You gotta tap into Turkey though.
But
the bitches are fire.
But my man Ronaldo getting paid 200 M's per season, $500 million for a 2.5-year contract. Oh man, I might have to be over there. If I'm him, I'm going over there. I'm going over there.
After seeing that interview, something about him just says robot to me.
Who?
That nigga Ronaldo, bro.
Why he say robot? He a cool dude.
I don't know. He just seems sketchy to me, bro. I don't know.
Yeah, chat. I ain't going to Kurdistan. None of them shits. Hell no. The fuck am I doing over there? Yo, I'm one nigga, yo. Let me tell you this, man. I've realized in life, and trust me, this is an ignorant viewpoint, but allow me to grow, and hopefully I'll change in the future. Bruh, you know, after living in the United States and see the problems we have over here, bro, I don't want to go to no country where I ain't in the majority of the people. Like, I want black people to be in the majority, bro. Okay? So I'd rather go to like motherfucking, I would definitely go to Nigeria. You feel me? I don't want to go no place where they got a whole different religion going on. They chopping niggas' heads off if a chick show her eyebrow. I'm good. You feel me? Because I'm going to fuck around and break a rule like by mistake, and then they going to lock me up. Nigga, they might lock me up and be like, yo, is that a flask in his pocket with Henny? Oh, that's 20 years. What? 20 years? Oh, hell to the no, nigga. Get me out of here. Get me out of here, man. I'm telling you.
It's because Muslim people are intolerant, though. To be honest,
nigga, I don't know if it's necessarily Islam and Muslim people. All I know is Saudi Arabia. I remember that when they hogtied one of them niggas, one of them leaders, and dragged him out and hung that nigga, bro. I think that nigga name was Gaddafi or some shit, nigga.
Yeah, nigga, that was not Saudi Arabia, was it?
It was not Saudi Arabia.
That was Iraq.
Where the fuck was that?
Wrong country, okay.
Nigga.
Or Afghanistan, one of them shit.
Nigga. Nigga, I seen.
No, Saudi Arabia is where the oil, like the niggas who got the oil at. I don't think it's like that crazy ass place like Iraq and shit.
Nigga,
That was Libya.
No, Saudi Arabia ain't that crazy.
Yeah, I heard Saudi Arabia's kind of like Dubai, ain't it? Ain't that like where Dubai at?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like,
UAE.
That's
have
where
alcohol.
Nigga, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah,
by
that's
sheer
all the
proximity, nigga, I'm not going there neither, nigga. Fuck that. Like, you know another reason I'm not going there? Man, like, maybe my geography. Let me Google the geography. Nigga, that shit's surrounded by all the niggas who on bullshit. Nigga, we Americans. Yo, bro, we've been starting fights. Bro, we've been starting fights for 2 centuries. Fucking them up, sending drones, dropping missiles. Nigga, we over here eating good. We dropping missiles like from drones. We fucking up all they got going on. We like killing they president. We install new governments. Nigga, they hate us more than they hate they hated COVID, nigga. You feel me? I'm not going over there where they don't like Americans. Fuck no.
Go to Dubai.
Nigga, they like Americans in Dubai?
Nigga, yes.
Tourist
Nigga, that's
friendly.
what
Yeah,
everybody know.
Dubai is. Yeah,
You saw what he did to Lil Wayne. They get that nigga a Lambo.
the nigga Rick Ross was just over there.
Let me see. Saudi Arabia
Oh, not
map.
Saudi
I ain't gonna
Arabia.
lie. Hold on. Let me look at the map to see what the fuck going on. Let me see. What the fuck? I want to look at the map of the globe. I got to see where that shit fit in on the map.
Type in Asia continent map. That's
Maps.
what I was
What
looking at
about, what about fellow chat niggas in Qatar right now?
Yeah, it's right there. Yo, chat, isn't Iran all that part of Asia? Right? Middle East?
Yeah, that's like Asia. They're still in Asia.
Here we go.
Nigga, that shit say New York.
Nigga, all I know is my man, yo, my boy, what's it called again? Top GB over here. He rocks with Croatia. Where Romania at? He said these countries cool. Said these countries they cool. Nigga, Ukraine? The fuck would I go to Ukraine for?
Come on, man. They under fire, bro.
Nigga, Russia? Nigga, you wouldn't catch me in Russia. Nigga, I would never go to Russia. Right here is where the fucked up shit started, nigga. Anything past Egypt, nigga, you asking for it, nigga. You know what I mean? Israel's supposed to be like a holy land, but they got too many beefs over there, nigga.
Bro, pull up the Kazakhstan, bro.
Nigga, Israel's supposed, like, I read in the Bible that, you know what I mean? Salute to Big Jesus. He was from, it's Jerusalem. But they got too much beefs over that shit. I'm good. I'm not going there. I'm good. Nigga.
What about that?
I read the Bible, nigga. Damascus was like some dope place. Nah, not no more, nigga. That shit near Syria? Fuck no. I ain't gonna go over there, nigga. Iraq? Nigga, you can pay me to go to Iraq, nigga. Nigga, Iraq? Yo, let's be honest. Actually, I'm trying to think. Surviving Iraq for 30 days.
Challenge?
Or surviving Iraq for 30 days or surviving Chicago for 30 days. Or O Block. Or O Block.
As Akademiks.
No, nigga, as anybody. Nigga, no. Yo, as anybody, you gotta be outside and put 10 hours of work on the block though. You can't be just inside. You gotta put 10 hours of work on the block daily, nigga.
Like, are you as yourself, or are you like, if you in Iraq, are you in Iraq as like a soldier? And if we're in Chicago, are we in Chicago as like academics, or are we doing that?
No, nigga, you in Chicago as a NPC street, nigga, bro.
That nigga Grant said Chicago got Wi-Fi.
Nigga, you gonna be in Chicago as an NPC street, nigga, and you gonna be, yo, in Iraq, they be wilding on like, you know what I mean? On like, you know what I mean?
They be beheading niggas live.
For real?
Nigga, Iraq. Nigga, it's Iraq.
Yeah. Oh yeah. This is why I knew I would never go to Saudi Arabia. They share a fucking border with Iraq. The fucker might just go over, nigga. You never know.
Bro,
Man.
the World Cup right there down south.
Nigga, I ain't even gonna lie. I ain't going to no Qatar neither, nigga. You know when people told me, yo, come to Dubai? I think 6ix9ine told me to come there. I said, first of all, nigga, I'm not a thought, nigga. I'm not coming to no fucking Dubai with you, nigga. The fuck I got business in Dubai. You better get Chinese kitty to come with you, nigga. The fuck you talking about? But nigga, I'm like, what the fuck am I going to Dubai for?
Bitches go over there to shit on niggas' chest.
No. It's the niggas shitting on the bitches.
Yeah, or get shit on.
It's actually not the dudes, it's the camel
There's a
shit.
whole
my
lot of
nigga.
shit
That's the
going on, bro.
Hey, literally, Curry.
I ain't gonna lie though. I've heard a lot of good things about Abu Dhabi and Dubai. But I just
right there, though.
That's the UAE.
He from Qatar.
That's the Emirates.
Man,
They be chill over there.
Somebody at that nigga, Lil Baby's intern, see if he pull up.
Oh, this is the part I'll never. Oh yeah, this is why I wouldn't go to no fuck. Yo, you got motherfucking, you got Dubai right here, right? You got Dubai right here chilling, but nigga, it's across the street from Iran. Oh hell no, nigga. Fuck no. Afghanistan, nigga. Yo, the fact that Bin Laden hid out in caves and mountains for a good 15 years, nigga, already told me, nigga, you don't want to go there. Fuck no.
You'd be safe there though.
Hell no, nigga.
Iran, Pakistan, and Afghanistan.
Nigga, if a fucking country couldn't figure out the biggest terrorist in the world was living in a fucking cave, just cooling, nigga, making videos every like 15 days. Remember that nigga was making videos?
Nah, I think that nigga was watching SpongeBob. They call like SpongeBob DVDs and this shit. He was cooling. That nigga was cool.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, with all due respect, I never even heard these countries, but Turkmenistan, I'll never go there. Fuck no.
So wait, isn't all these countries? All these countries used to be Persia, right?
What if you get booked for a concert there?
Heck, you're not gonna go up there if you get booked?
Hell no. I ain't gonna lie, they tried to book me in Dubai one time. Now, granted, I ain't gonna lie. I'm like, I would go to Dubai. You know what I mean? I just hear the flight is like crazy, dog. You know how much it costs for a first class flight?
10 bands to 20 bands.
More first class flight, New York City to Dubai. This like nigga, imagine you pay. All right, we gonna go to Expedia, right? We finna book.
Right now,
We finna book a flight from New York City to Dubai. Let's say we gonna book it. Shit. Let's just go next year because we want to get like an average price type shit. You feel me?
If you're flying Qatar, you're gonna be paying.
Yeah, say we're going on January 4th. We come back the 11th, right? So we leaving from New York City and we going to Dubai, right? And we got to go first class because we can't fuck with we can't fuck with economy. Let's go. Let's hit search.
What's wrong with economy, man? No,
It's probably gonna be Qatar too.
No,
so yeah,
Emirates
it's gonna be
economy kind of fly.
Hey,
now we got to go
economy
nonstop. We got to go nonstop. So nonstop. So 21,000. Bitch, I'm shitting on your chest. Fuck that. I paid 25,000 for you to get here. I'm shitting on your chest. Bitch, hold up. I got diarrhea. You are catching this fucking. You're catching this turd. You're catching this turd. Nigga, you could. Yo, if you a sheik and you just booked a $26,000 flight for a thought to come cross the pond, nigga, trust me, I'm popping 15 laxatives, bitch. You about to have a shitty week. Fuck that. Nigga,
I ain't gonna lie.
Nigga, I'm just hold on. I'm just saying I can't hate on the sheiks. I done paid 26 bands for you to come across the pond? Oh hell nah, man. Nigga, I'm chewing on them laxatives like it's a Flintstone vitamin, nigga. Bitch, I'm shitting on your chest. Fuck that. Fuck all that shit.
No lie. Yo, on everything I love, one of my bitches just left back from over there. I swear to God, she was over there.
Hell no.
And I said the same thing. I said, you got shitted on? I swear.
About to get the oxtail special.
They hit the Ice Spice dance and doing shit on her chest.
Yo, Chad, I'm not saying I would do these things. I'm just saying.
Nice as fuck, though.
Yeah, I'm not saying I would do these things. I'm just saying, bro, if I'm paying this amount of money, like keep it like, have any y'all ever flew out a girl?
Yeah.
All right.
I did.
Hold on. Did y'all spirit her? Did y'all do spirit, or did you make her feel decent with like the United, or you gave a Delta like that? Delta.
I definitely did spirit.
All right.
It depends on what city they coming from.
Nah. I ain't gonna lie. No matter what city they coming from, spirit is just damn down disrespectful. You feel me?
I don't give a fuck, nigga. You gonna take that $40 flight?
You want them to become a spirit? Like that bitch might not even make it there. Like,
Yo, listen, bro. If she can't get on that spirit flight, risk her life for me, then she not for me, bro.
Facts. Nah, you gotta test that loyalty like that for real.
That's a fact.
If she can't get a spirit, she not for me.
Spirit really that bad? I ain't never.
You know what's so crazy? I never been on that shit neither, man.
Bro,
only
bro, Spirit is the first like plane. That shit not even called a plane. That bit literally called an Airbus. That bit called an Airbus. That bit not even a plane.
the spirit, no matter what city, is the cheapest flight. And bro, the plane looks so slow getting into the air. Like the shit like
JetBlue be kind of cheap too.
That shit got no Wi-Fi, no phone charger, no TV.
Nigga, that shit like a bus with wings.
Bro, it's literally an Airbus. Bro. Some nigga said oxtail juice. What the fuck are you talking about?
Nah, 26,000 is wild for a flight, man.
Yo, actually, tell me you ain't these bands, bro. Come on, no cap.
Yo, hold on. That's why I'm trying to tell y'all. That's why 6ix9ine having his way with these chicks, bro. Put like this. Let me tell you the type of time 6ix9ine's on. He fly you out first class, so that's 30 bands already. You come out there, he best hotels, best accommodations. He gonna buy you a Birkin. You just got another 30, 40 bands, right? Y'all in the club, he best time ever. Like you drive, like everything's good, and then you're still going home with 40 bands. He gonna give you like 40,000 cash. Now, granted, he's only doing this with strippers, but you know,
you saying he's sitting on bitches' chest? That's what you're saying?
Yo, if 6ix9ine shitting on these bitches' chest, bro.
Nah, I wouldn't be mad at it. I wouldn't be mad at it if he doing it. Like, bro, like
I wouldn't either. But imagine 6ix9ine shitting on them on these bottle girls' chest, right?
Hold on, I'm gonna be honest with you.
It's a power complex.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I could see it because 6ix9ine take a lot of laxatives, bro. Like that's his
what?
No, you do.
Nigga screaming.
If you ever watch his vlogs, with Steve will do it, bro. Like he always, like, you know, because he's always like body conscious. So that's why he was taking that hydroxy. Remember that shit laying him in the hospital, bro. He be taking a lot of laxatives. You know what I mean? That he could just get rid of like any type of like, bruh. Who knows, man? Get one of these chicks from Starless, nigga, and ship.
Wait, you saying 6ix9ine a BBL pill?
Yo.
Hey, that nigga 6ix9ine was installing shit on himself with a pepper on.
Nigga, what would be so wrong if he shitted on one of these chicks BBL, bro?
Nigga be walking with
a BBL pill. That's crazy.
Nah, bro. Talking about T.I.
I don't even blame him. I shit on him too and have them go kiss these rap niggas.
Yo, I'm gonna keep it a bean with you. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. For a $20,000 flight, yo, you gotta give up the box in the car back to the telly. Fuck till we get to fuck checking in.
Nigga, if I buy you a $20,000 flight, I'm fucking you and your moms.
Nigga said Chinese shit. Come on now. Y'all gotta chill, bro. I gotta like dead ass chill. Nigga said he Chinese shitty now. Oh shit.
Nah. Apparently that's not Chinese skitty, yo.
Hey, yeah,
Not for real.
Hey,
It's a doppelganger.
God forbid it is. Oh my god. Yo. Chinese.
But even if it was her, I don't see how niggas could be mad at.
Now Chinese kitty mad cool, yo. I like her.
Yeah, she is.
I bet you
I was just on her Instagram.
Oh, word?
For what?
Yeah. That shit what? Nigga, that shit cakey, boy.
Nigga with your Instagram like pour up. Shit crazy.
Nah, a lot of these girls be, you know what I'm saying? They be strippers with a microphone, bro.
Hey, that's true.
Yo, Kyrie, you an asshole, bro.
I gotta keep it real, bro, because it's like what we really talking about half the time.
Hey, yo, I got a real question, yo. Yo, is OnlyFans still busting, man? Because yo, I hear we in a recession now, and I hear everybody's making cutbacks. You see Amazon firing people. You see motherfucking Facebook, Twitter firing people. Are these hoes still making the same money that we're making in the pandemic, bro?
I don't know.
Yeah, Ali out
I
here
don't see.
finessing on
I
her
don't seen
OnlyFans right
bitches. I
now.
don't seen bitches go to OnlyFans and then quit and start to get a normal job. So I don't know, man.
Somebody
I
told
ain't
me
gonna.
OnlyFans like it ain't really busting like it was like in the pandemic because niggas don't got disposable income like that no more.
Niggas is home too, so niggas at work
It's
now.
only busting if you got a follower. Like if you got a
Yeah,
following, it's
yeah.
busting.
You remember
My
back
ex,
then, like any bitch in your city was on OnlyFans.
my
Mm.
ex, she did
Facts.
OnlyFans, but she said it wasn't paying like it used to, so now she just sell pussy.
Wait, your ex?
That's crazy.
Yo, Jade shit bussin'.
Wait, is Jade on
What?
OnlyFans?
No,
That's
no,
6ix
Wait,
ex.
who?
Yeah, Jade at 6ix9ine bro.
Yeah, is she on there fucking?
Nah,
Hey,
nah,
bro.
she out here playing with
Hey,
niggas.
somebody go check Reddit. Somebody go
Hey,
check
Let
bro.
me,
Reddit.
You
nigga.
know what's busting, bro? You know what's busting at,
Well,
bro? Ali, bro. No, just playing. Just playing.
wait.
I got the drop on Reddit on Ali, bro.
Yo,
She's
I'm gonna
mid.
be honest with you,
Oh
bro.
yeah, Ali on
Like my
Reddit.
nigga, like
Oh god,
I couldn't even subscribe to like not well, I don't subscribe to none of these chicks, but like I couldn't even watch like Juice WRLD's girl like get busy, bro. Like, damn, man, like out of respect for him, dog.
Bro, bro, that gotta be sad, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
I ain't
I
gonna
ain't
lie,
gonna lie.
I love X, but I was watching
This just
Geneva.
got really dark.
Like she was
Nigga,
down bad, bro. Like damn.
I'm watching.
Geneva,
I'm watching
Geneva go
everything
crazy.
Plug King. I'm
Yeah,
watching
free
everything
Plug
Plug
King,
King
bro.
put and not safe for work.
Wait, Plug King still doing that?
Hell yeah,
Oh
No, he
god,
bro.
he
not. No,
did.
he not. No, he not. No, he not. No, he not. No, he not.
No, oh shit.
Oh, my fault.
No, he not. No, he not, bro. Plug
My
King's a
fault.
Christian man.
These got chill.
Shout out to Plug King.
Oh,
Yeah,
that
but
must be
shout out
like
to
a.
him though.
That nigga just sold bro out. That's crazy.
Yo.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'll just put bro under the bus.
Oh, somebody said, "Oh, y'all want me to react to this clip?"
The T.I. clip.
Yeah, I feel like it's
If
old.
y'all think that's snitching, you're an idiot, bro.
I don't think that's snitching, bro.
You're an
Oh, the
idiot. if you
Ti
think
shit.
that's snitching, bro.
I ain't a street nigga, so I don't really know.
Bro, you're an idiot if you think that's snitching, bro. My nigga died in between time, bro. Why would
Bro,
I go to jail?
that's snitching, nigga. What are
That
you
nigga in
talking
hell
about,
looking up
bro?
at you, mad as fuck.
Stupid if you think that. Okay, it's snitching, but it's justified snitching, bro. Like
No,
realistically,
nigga.
My
Bro,
niggas gonna
it's
look at me
snitching
stupid
is
if I'm in
snitching,
jail.
bro.
People like, nigga, why are you in jail?
it's either he dead or you in jail, or he dead or you free. Either way, he's still dead. So like, what's going on?
Bro,
What are you talking about?
y'all niggas is bugging. That is ratting.
Is it though?
And on who? He dead.
You can't tell in
He
no
not
form
serving
or
no
fashion.
time, nigga.
All right, hold on.
Nah.
Yeah, hold on. Let me play the clip. And salute to level up hip hop. Here we go.
I have a gun. Why are we going through the court process? And so we caught no gun cases. 2 died. And, you know, my lawyer said, well, you know, I can make everything go away if it was Tremel. After he had passed, I had a talk with him.
What to say?
To say, I take all the charges you got. If you can walk away free and put it on me, goddamn right.
Wait, did he say you had to talk with him after he passed? What do you mean?
What? Yo.
Niggas.
I swear,
Talking to your ghost.
I swear I heard the same shit. I thought I
You
was
on that
bugging.
Queen Farm shit.
Nah, this sound like some Asian doll shit. Hold on, let me run this back one more time.
Police, pull us over. I have a gun. Why are we going through the court process? And so we caught no gun cases. 2 died. And, you know, my lawyer said, well, you know, I can make everything go away if it was Tremel's. After he had passed, I had a talk with him.
What to say?
What?
Bro, why did
I take all the charges you got. If you can walk away free and put it on me, goddamn right.
So is that what boys giving you shit about because you put it on?
Nah, hell no.
Okay.
Nah. Don't nobody even know about that. I just volunteered. Don't nobody even know about that. I'm just being honest.
Yeah.
That's the only time
That you.
I done never said or gave no information about nobody because that's my cousin, my big cousin. He was dead, and he told me that it was okay. Police, pull us over.
Wait, his cousin told him after. Hey, listen, man. I rock with T.I. I'm not no street nigga, but I'm gonna just go off what the audience is saying. If you snitch on a nigga who's dead, because some of y'all thought that Dirk was gonna blame whatever shooting on Vaughn. I don't think it went down like that, but is that snitching? If you basically said, yo, since he did, blame everything on him, is that snitching?
No, because if that's your, especially if it's your man, like if it's the op, that's different. That's a different conversation. It's a little different. But
Wait.
If that's your man's, because like this is the thing, your man's probably would have took the plea, took the charge anyway.
Wait. So is snitching if you tell on the dead op, but if you wait, hold on, man, this is confusing. Wait, Kyrie. So if something happened and your op ended up dying, if you tell on the nigga who died, who's your op, you're snitching?
In my eyes, yes, because that can implicate other people from the other side. If this is your man's that you with all the time, who probably would have took the charge for you anyway, especially if you're the prominent rapper at the time, I don't see it as snitching.
Yo, this nigga Kyrie got like he got like some rules of engagement.
Bro. Snitching is snitching, bro. There's no justifying snitching, bro.
Yeah, it's snitching, but it's like you be stupid not to snitch in this situation,
bro. Then you be stupid, then nigga. You can't tell.
So fucking stupid, bro. Oh my
that's what I'm saying. You're making it deeper than what it got to be, bro. How is it snitching if that's my man?
I see you, Mike Sam.
He's gone.
You bro, act. You gotta ask Wack, bro. Like Wack is the streetest nigga.
What?
You know what I mean?
That's facts. Hey, by the way, Hoost, thank you for the 50 Canadian. Appreciate you. Yo, hey, listen, man. I guess in the street, like, if I was in this situation, I'm trying to think, right? Say I did something wrong. Well, I don't be believing most of this snitching stuff anyway, so.
No, wait. I will say this, though, right, Act? It's like, okay, so where I'm from, there's a term we use where, like, niggas just didn't make it to court. You see what I'm saying? So, like, that's where it's a different conversation where it's like, okay, what if niggas...
It's called you killed the witness.
Something like that, yeah.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying? So that's a different conversation than you come out and be like, yo, my cousin said, yo, you know what I'm saying? That's different. But, like, if we just talking about my cousin passed away in the midst of a case, and it was only me and him.
Yeah.
Why am I in jail? My cousin will look at me crazy for being in jail if I didn't need to be in jail.
Bro, that shit is snitching, bro. I can't hear you say
But
that.
then my
That
question
shit
is,
is
if you
snitching.
tell your man to take a charge, is that like pseudo snitching too? Like,
I'm not telling my man to take no charge.
Shout out T-Pain, by the way.
I'm not telling my man to take no charge. If he want to take that charge, then cool, he could take it. But I'm not gonna be like, yo, take this charge. No, nigga.
Bro, fuck it, bro. T-Pain, bro. Is that snitching, bro? If you and Act was riding and this nigga Act died, would you not snitch on Act?
What the hell T-Pain at?
He in the chat.
Yo, T-Pain, join the Discord, my nigga.
Oh yeah, he is in the Discord, right?
Bro, that's not snitching, bro. Yo, so Act.
Nah, T-Pain would definitely
snitching though.
T-Pain would definitely tell.
Yo, Act, if we was
T-Pain like me. T-Pain got the singing voice already. That nigga might auto-tune to tell it. That nigga might auto-tune to tell it. Fuck it.
If we put up on a nigga, bro, and you died, would you not want me to snitch on you so I don't have to go to jail?
Sure.
Nigga said sure.
But you just called it. But you just called it snitching, though.
Bro, snitching is snitching, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
I was just snitching. Nobody's getting in trouble.
Hold on. Yo. Here's my only question about when I hear this, and I love these hypotheticals. I'm like, yo, so you're telling me you're down to do like a good 15 years to uphold like this thing that you don't tell? Because in reality, I thought that snitching, like the whole premise of it, was to just not sell out somebody who's also in doing the crime with you. But that's if y'all both are at the risk of being punished. At the end of it, there's no criminal who's down to do the time. You know what I mean? Like, niggas do anything they can to really get out of the time. You're just saying don't sell out the nigga you did the crime with. I've always thought, has anyone ever seen The Wire in here?
Yeah.
Okay, so Omar got on the stand and snitched on his ops. He said, yo, that nigga selling weed over there, and that nigga was killing that nigga over there. He didn't do no crime with them. Granted, he's beefing in the streets with them. Is that snitching? Because
Yes, Act. Yes.
So any type of talking to the police is snitching.
To the police is snitching, bro.
This
Any
is
type of talking to the
involvement. They're both
police is
involved in
snitching.
street shit, though.
But again,
Like,
this
snitching
is
for a nigga that's already dead is like retarded.
this is a different conversation. We're talking about somebody who's already dead. You're both in the case together. Both
It's
y'all
still snitching. Any conversations with the police is snitching, bro.
No, I think if you
That don't make
snitching,
no
you,
sense, bro.
no, I think if you snitching, you are saving yourself and hurting somebody else. Like a nigga that's alive.
Yo, listen, I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna just say this, right?
Y'all love not
like,
being a
at
street
least-
nigga because
like
I listen, listen. If I'm not involved in the crime, I'm cooperating with the police. Okay, I love not being a street nigga.
That's fair. That's not snitching.
If
That's just
I'm
telling
not
the truth.
involved, if me and you are not in the crime together, I am cooperating with the police.
Yo, wait, who said that's not snitching?
See you at trial, nigga.
Wait, who said that was not snitching again?
Kyrie.
Oh no, who said that was snitching? My bad. Who said that was snitching?
It's snitching. It's facts.
All right, facts. All right, hypothetically, bro. All right, let's say a drunk driver just ran over your little brother, nigga. He like 5 years old, ran that nigga over. You saw that shit happen with your own 2 eyes. You not gonna tell the police what you saw?
No, bro.
Stop.
Yo, bro, listen, bro. Let me tell you something, bro. Listen, this is no lie, right?
Wait.
Nah, I'm gonna tell you something real quick.
Hold on.
If you know the nigga,
No
if you
lie.
know the
Word
nigga,
to
look,
everything I love, bro. I got locked up one time, right? I got locked up allegedly. They offered me 15 years in jail to tell them if I didn't tell them who my co-defendant was, I was gonna get 15 years, bro. I swear to God, I did not tell, bro. Allegedly, I did not tell, bro. Listen, either way, bro, it's snitching, bro.
No,
Either way, it's snitching. If I would have
that's way
said something,
different from a nigga that is dead and is your homeboy.
bro, either way, it's snitching, bro.
It's not.
That is.
I mean,
literally
regardless.
Look,
Look,
nigga hit
look, I mean,
your brother, and he, like you wouldn't tell that nigga that. You wouldn't tell the police that.
If I was the street nigga, allegedly, no.
That's crazy.
If I was the street nigga, allegedly, no, bro. Yo, you know how would that look, right? I got a son. How would that look, me snitching and niggas be bullying my son for the rest of his life? Nigga, your pops is a rat. Nigga, what?
Realistically, nobody about to do that to your son, bro. You just pulled that out your ass for real, dog. Like, ain't nobody gonna make
Bro,
fun of yourself.
do you know that niggas who snitch sons get bullied?
Oh, that's facts. Niggas would be like, why he didn't handle it himself?
Niggas will violate your kids, bro.
What?
Bro, what? Bro, what city are you from, bro, where they
That's
doing
dead
that?
facts,
Yo,
though.
I kid y'all not, man. Yo, when it comes to the snitching conversation, this is why I jump off that boat early. Bro, I just hear the most ridiculous. So you're telling me, nigga, if somebody runs over your little brother, your 5-year-old brother, nigga, and it's not even a street nigga, my nigga, it's just a drunken driver, and they came to you and they said, did you see that 50-year-old nigga who is a habitual drunk? Did he run over your brother? Did you see it? We
I
need
did
you
not
to
see nothing.
No.
We gonna get that
I
shit.
didn't. My back was turned, nigga. I'm making it out here, nigga. My back was turned.
Certain
I ain't
shit
see
you can
nothing.
handle. Certain shit you can handle without the law. Like I get in this shit, I don't call the police.
Already though, like he's
Bro, if it's a hit and run, you not handling nothing, bro. He gone forever. You ain't gonna ever see him
You
again.
police avenge your brother by telling the truth.
Nigga, the moment you say my back was turned, I ain't see nothing. Your brother is just like, what?
Your brother gonna be in the afterlife haunting the shit out of
Nigga, your brother about to haunt you, nigga. Like, yo, oh hell nah, nigga.
Hey, the drunk driver would have been dead before the police showed up.
Hey, some nigga named drunken driver just give
That's what I'm saying.
Ain't no snitching in this shit, boy.
Hey, drunken driver, did you do it, bro? Did you do it, bro?
Yo, the internet is too fast.
Yo, all right, hold on. Yo, by the way, I really think this is like some New York trolling at this point. All right, man, yo, you living right next to the crypto serial killer. You feel me? The crypto billionaire serial killer, nigga. He done killed 5 crypto billionaire. They got $1 billion reward if you could just snitch. Like, yo, I think he living next door. You feel me? And he's coming back like, yo, you know he's murdering people. Are you gonna tell anybody that the serial killer is right next to you?
We going line them.
I'm wearing a Kanye mask to it.
We going line them,
Get
nigga.
that nigga, bro. This is
W response.
We're gonna line the serial killer.
We going backdoor that nigga.
How you gonna backdoor him for cryptocurrency, nigga? What the
Yo,
fuck?
this nigga Max is a character right now.
Get a flash drive somewhere, nigga.
This nigga's a character right now.
Nah, you trolling, bro.
So you tell me you wouldn't even snitch for the $1 billion reward?
Yo, I can't snitch, bro.
I promise you, bro. White people?
Yo, I ain't gonna lie to you.
Oh, quick.
I've never seen yo. Facts might be up there with AJ, yo. That's how AJ was answering, nigga. that's how that nigga AJ was answering, bro.
Oh, that's diabolical, bro.
Yo.
Hey, is all these crypto niggas gonna get it back in blood? That's the real question.
It's a principle thing, though.
Nah, that's a
Oh
good question. The
man.
only thing they could do is hold
Yo.
out on some like random stock like GameStop again.
All right, so hold on. So is there any circumstance would you make a statement to the police?
Hell no, you can't snitch,
I was
bro.
gonna say something that's hella extreme, but I'm not even.
Yo, facts, but not everything you talking to the police is snitching.
Yo, you don't talk to the police,
All right, facts. All right, hold on, facts. Let's be practical. Yo, let's be practical now. Let's be practical. So facts. If you own a house and you have fucking insurance and someone burglarized your house or someone like you own a car and someone steals your car, bro, you got to call the cops and say, bro, somebody stole my car. That's not snitching, right? Like, that's just like, bro, like.
That's not street shit. So, yeah, that's not street shit.
Oh,
that's not street shit.
Gideon little brother ran over.
That's different. That's different. That's different.
Nah, that's not street shit.
You don't know who the fuck stole your car. You're not
Actually,
snitching on somebody stealing your
his
car.
brother is street shit because his brother would have to be in the street to get.
No,
this nigga is stupid.
That's literally his logic right now, bro.
That's snitching, bro. You snitching. Just a nigga that stole your car, bro.
But you don't know who stole your car though.
Bro, get it back in blood, bro. You gotta walk through the streets by hand, like.
So you think that I'm supposed to? I just paid $200,000-$300,000 for this crib. You think that I'm not going to get my insurance money?
Nah, why you telling the insurance?
All right, hold on. We ain't saying you shouldn't get your insurance money. That's the regular thing to do as a human. We're just talking about your 5-year-old brother, though. Like, damn, dog. Like, bruh.
Nigga put his
I'm not putting. Look, I'm not putting no nigga in jail. I'll be damned if I put a nigga in jail.
Over your little brother.
Your dead homie's not going to jail, bro.
Nah, bro. T.I. ain't gonna lie. And that clip, Kyrie, T.I. was a little too happy to be like, yo, my cousin, he was dead and he told me to snitch. Nah, bro. I can't do that, bro.
Can we still like go back to the part where like his dead cousin told him to do some shit?
That's where it was. That's where it was kind of. That was an interesting way to use your words as somebody as tactful and uses such diction as T.I.
Nigga, that's your brother, dog.
All right, hold on. Yo, facts.
Just be saying shit sometimes.
All right, so facts. So yo, if you chilling, you feel me? And like, you know what I mean, you run into Kanye, that nigga slap the shit out of you and pistol whip you, you're not gonna sue him.
Kanye he would not leave the place where he smacked me at.
All right, nigga, some billionaire just beat your ass, nigga, or you not gonna sue to try to get some money, bro?
If I get beat by a billionaire, like if I get my ass beat, I'm not gonna lie. I'm so different, bro. That nigga's not gonna walk away, bro.
Okay,
so you lose the fight, you still gonna win, bro? Like, is that?
Yeah,
that's how
you
this
got
works?
no gun. You got no gun. You can't kill this nigga. You got no knife. You got nothing. It's just your hands. You lose the fight, and nigga, he walk away with 8 goons, nigga. What you gonna do?
If I get beat up by a billionaire,
you gotta get that back.
Are you asking me? Yo, I'm all about get back.
Nigga, he's a billionaire, nigga. You probably never see this
listen,
nigga
bro. Let me tell you something. I remember one time I got jumped by 6 niggas, right? I was 17, nigga. I swear to God. I want, bro. For like 3-4 years, nigga, I did not stop.
You're not gonna get back on the billionaire, nigga.
One by one,
nigga. What if it's Batman, nigga? Bruce Wayne.
I'm all for get back, bro. I swear to God, I am petty, bro.
You're not getting back on Kanye. You're not getting back on Elon.
Bro, you never know,
Hey,
bro. You better
what
listen.
will Whack 100 say? That's the question. What will Whack 100 say?
I'm
Y'all
all for
brain need
get
to be
back.
studied, bro, in like a museum, bro. Like straight up, bro. Like
I'm all for get back, bro.
Yo,
On some
this
G
nigga
shit.
Sue him. Free money.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie to you.
Nigga
Yo, I ain't gonna lie to you. It sounds so crazy that nigga said he would tell the cops that he was looked the other way when they say, yo, bro, yo, that nigga hits your brother 100 miles per hour and dragged his body for 2 miles. Like we don't even have a body to deliver back to you. We have a hand here, a finger there, like, you know what I mean, a piece of face right there. You like, now your mom is crying, but like, yo, damn, my little baby boy. But like, oh my God, like everybody's like really hurt. And the cops know you was there, you seen it, and they say, yo, facts, who'd you see that killed your brother? You gonna
I
tell
ain't see shit, nigga. I ain't see shit,
I ain't
nigga.
gonna lie, y'all be
What's
too tough,
up?
bro.
The best thing for you to do is pick up a stick.
I ain't see
You better
shit,
pick up a
nigga.
stick. That's the best
my
thing you can
God,
do.
man.
That
I
nigga just
believe
better
that.
hope he don't got no family.
I'm the same way though. I can't say nothing. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Question.
You're gonna have to take that lick.
Right?
All right, hold on. So what do y'all think about, so T.I. had taken a stand back in the day. Yo, he's riding in the car with his man. Some niggas were shooting at the car. It hit him. Or it hit his man's, actually. His man's died. T.I. testified in that trial. He got on the stand. Granted, he didn't really say anything that could really put niggas in jail, I guess. But he testified. Would you testify?
That nigga snitch act.
Now, hey, technically, he did the same thing 6ix9ine did because 6ix9ine only snitched against the people. Hey, he did. 6ix9ine
Nigga,
only
6ix9ine was pointing niggas out. Like,
no. He only pointed out the niggas that kidnapped them and beat them up.
that's snitching, nigga. T.I. ain't
Bro,
doing
either way you take the stand, bro, that is snitching, bro.
that. Nigga, even for your brother?
Bro, that's snitching, bro.
So you saying you would just slide for your bro?
That's a fact, bro.
Nigga, he in jail right now, nigga. No bond. What
Bro,
you gonna do?
I am not snitching, bro. I'm telling you, I'm not snitching.
So how you gonna get back if he in solitary confinement? How you gonna get back?
Do him like Bobo.
How you finna get back? He in solitary confinement, 23 hours, 1 hour. What's up?
That nigga got family, right?
Let me tell you
He
something.
got family.
Let me tell you something. You can always pay off a CO, bro. Just remember
Bro,
that.
nigga,
You can always pay off a CO.
ways, bro. Nigga, we're
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Yeah,
You give the CEO a couple of thousand, man. They'll turn the other way. They'll make sure a door opens at a certain time.
Look, I'm not even gonna lie.
Yo,
No,
bro, listen, bro. Not even a couple thousand, bro. A couple hundred. Like, niggas
You're
don't
gonna
care.
catch a murder charge for a couple $100?
They
Bro,
ain't gonna know. They're gonna be like, "Oh, this
I
door
ain't
just
gonna.
opened, and some inmates just happened to walk by while the
Look,
door was
Y'all
unlocked."
trolling, bro. Y'all trolling.
nah,
Yo, I
No,
ain't
it
gonna,
that
ain't
stuff
even
happens all the
trolling. Like, it's
time. That's
yo,
nothing
boom, I ain't
strange.
gonna lie to you.
Caught,
bro,
bro. That's how
nigga.
you know. That's how you know about it, nigga.
These
Look,
niggas gotta be trolling, bro.
niggas where I'm from, bro. They ain't got to have shit to do with it. If niggas hear you snitching, bro. They taking your shit.
All
You,
right, facts. You say he got family, right?
Yep.
His family in Cancun, nigga. He ain't even from here. He was a tourist, nigga.
Yo, boom, you dragging it. Yo,
What you
boom,
gonna
you
do? What you
dragging it.
gonna do?
Yo, listen. Yo, no funny shit. I swear, bro. If it's on that, bro, then it's on that. That's why I didn't understand.
You
Like,
flying to Cancun?
that's why I didn't understand. Like, if you want a nigga, bro, you're gonna do whatever you gotta do to get a nigga, bro.
Going on a manhunt.
On some G shit. If you want a nigga, bro, you're gonna do whatever you gotta do to get a nigga, bro.
How would you find them though? Like,
Hey, somebody named Midas Touch said, you said $50 and you said, yo, Kanye signed the freakiest artist. Somebody names DSL Poof. Who the hell's that?
DSL.
Pause,
dick
right?
sucking lips. Who the fuck?
Yo, chill. You ain't have to say it, bro.
Yo, I'm just trying to figure out, so facts. You trying to say you just ready to crash out.
That's a fact.
You
Allegedly.
think that's your brother though?
Yo,
Listen,
I don't know if I
somebody
can like
mama
take
gotta
him
cry.
seriously or like he trolling.
I'm dead ass. Somebody mother gotta cry.
He
I
think he
ain't
Jason Bourne.
about
like
nothing.
Liam Neeson, bro. What the fuck? Yo,
Think he the equalizer, bro? Ain't no way, bro.
that nigga said he got a family. That nigga fact talking crazy. Nigga talk like Thanos.
I agree with
On some G
you,
shit,
bro.
bro.
I ain't gonna lie though. It's about principles and shit. Though at the end of the
Somebody
day,
said
it's
you
like
not gonna crash out for your people, nigga. Yo,
Man,
5-year-old little brother, you don't go and tell that police what the fuck you saw, nigga, and get that nigga in jail for the rest of his
Nah,
life.
I'm gonna
I'm
kill that nigga
crashing out
home.
for little bro. I ain't
bro.
gonna lie.
Yo. Somebody said facts, bro. His family live in Iraq, bro. What you doing?
What that
That's
nigga
not
doing?
realistic.
Well, what if it is?
This
Nah,
nigga said,
that's not
let's
realistic,
say
bro.
that
I'ma
nigga
just say
live
this,
all the
bro.
way in Iraq.
You can't
That was
snitch, bro.
crazy.
Ain't nothing in this world that's gonna make me snitch, bro.
That's crazy, bro.
On some
If you
G shit, bro.
you're not gonna snitch on for your brother, bro, it's just
Yo,
gonna
bro,
save
listen, bro. I got a son, right? I got a son, bro.
said nigga
I
think
ain't
you
see
Riddick.
my son being born because I was locked up because I ain't snitch,
hey,
bro.
we
Like
on
I'm not gonna
bullshit.
snitch, bro.
You either snitch or your mama die. Which one is it, nigga?
I'm not snitching, bro.
Nah, chill out.
I'm not snitching, bro.
Chill out, bro. Yo, you had the red pill, the blue pill, bro. One said, bro, your mom is she lives forever, nigga. You gonna be a trillionaire. The other one said you could, but you gotta snitch. What you gonna do?
My mom,
And the red
my
pill,
mom,
you die instantly. You die like instantly. What
nigga.
you gonna do?
I'm taking that red pill, bro. You had a good life.
Yo, you the goat, bro. No, you the goat, bro. At least you stand on business, bro.
Nah, I think facts trolling, man.
Yeah, he
I'm
gotta be.
dead ass.
He gotta be. He gotta be, bro.
Facts gonna be like that nigga in Belly.
Yo, facts. You think this is how all hood niggas think?
Yeah, bro. I mean,
No.
most of
They
them
think
do.
this to
Like,
an extent.
most niggas is not snitching,
Bro,
bro.
yo,
Like,
no
most.
disrespect. No disrespect, facts. Why do you think hood niggas are so stupid, bro? Like, why do you
You
think
want to
that?
know why, bro? Because niggas is stuck on the whole tradition of the streets, which is not real. Like, niggas know this shit is a myth, but at the end of the day, bro, like, you just can't go out like a sucker.
But you know it's a myth, so why you even care?
I understand these people have
More
like nothing else going on in life.
morality,
It's the only thing that
But
they have.
morality to who though? A bunch of goon niggas wearing
yourself,
G-Unit shirts, nigga, and fucking.
yourself, bro.
That's all they have. This is
But
their.
like, is it
this-
really for yourself though? Like, you doing it for other people's respect. You're not doing it for
Bro,
your
your
respect.
name, bro. Your name
So
is
that's for
See what I
other
everything.
mean?
So that's what other people think of your name. Not like you know
No,
who you are.
bro. Your
You
You
know
gotta
who you
legacy,
realize.
are
bro.
though.
You
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 never
gotta.
know who
You
want
you
to.
are.
gotta.
So it's for another nigga paying for your
Nah,
name.
bro.
That
You
just sounds
want to
like
die?
insecurity,
You
to
want to
be
die
honest,
a
bro.
rat,
Like, I'm
or
not
you
gonna
want to
hold.
die a
That's
legend,
what I'm saying.
Nah,
Only person
facts,
who call
nigga.
you a rat is other people. You know what
You
you're
gotta
doing,
bro?
right?
realize.
But you
You
know what
gotta
you're doing
realize.
Nah,
wrong.
Some
bro.
people
6ix9ine gonna
really
die
live.
both. He gonna die a rat and a
Nigga,
legend.
You gotta realize some people really live. You
Yeah,
gotta
but like
realize
yo,
some
I'm
people really
crying,
live
bro.
by.
that's stupid because you like just living your life of what other niggas think about you, bro.
Boom.
Listen,
You gotta realize.
I'd
You gotta
rather
realize
niggas
some niggas really live by death before dishonor. Like some niggas really live by that shit.
And that's
like you.
stupid.
Yo,
Like
boom.
X, that nigga X lives by
When you
that
got
shit.
a
Like a lot of
son,
niggas.
when you got a son, boom, you gonna want your son to look up to you, and you gonna want that nigga to think that you honorable and know that you
Yeah,
honorable.
you
You
did the
don't
right
want your
thing
son.
though.
Wait, you don't want your son friends calling your son.
All right, chat. Let me just hit a couple topics before I fucking get off of here. Yo, salute to my man Future who just bought a fucking $7 million crib. He has 2 cribs now in Miami. He clearly loves Miami. I think he says he called it Skyami now. He bought recently a $7 million condo. Look at this shit. A $7 million condo in the new Bentley Towers. So the Bentley Towers is like the newer tower, the most famous tower in what's it called? Golden Acres or whatever. I forgot what that shit's called. Is the Porsche Tower. Everybody live in a Porsche Tower. Like, I wouldn't say names, but everybody live in a Porsche Tower. And the Bentley Tower is a little bit newer, costs a little bit more. And he bought basically a fucking apartment probably like 5 miles away from the house he bought, which is crazy. So he bought a $16 million crib and then a $7.5 million like apartment. This is the Bentley Towers.
Only recently revealed its big plans for the first ever Bentley-branded residential tower. The project is so far going under the name of Bentley Residences, and it's set to debut in 2026. What's so special about it apart from its name? Well, a lot, actually. Today, I'm taking you on a tour of the Bentley Residences, showing you its cool features like the car elevator that will take your car with you to your apartment, and much more you should know about this stunning skyscraper. For the location of Bentley's residential tower, the architects wanted to choose something that goes well with what the Bentley cars are all about. Therefore,
I think it's on
the
Sunny Isles,
tower will be located in one of the most luxurious cities in South Florida, Sunny Isles Beach.
Yeah, Sunny Isles, yeah.
Located on a barrier island right next to the notorious Miami Beach, this stunning city, spanning over an area of 1.81 square miles, is home to pristine white sand beaches, palm trees, but mainly numerous luxury high-rise hotels and condos spread along the beach.
Yeah, usually the beaches here is like private too, so it's like private for the residences of these buildings right here.
Hilton Hotel, Armani, and Casa.
Let me go interior real quick.
Inside the Bentley Residences, residents will enjoy some of the best bayside and ocean views through the floor-to-ceiling windows in each of the 200 apartments. These will be built for the most demanding customers with the highest expectations in terms of design and quality.
Chat, I like watching real estate videos, man. I'm sorry. I like watching real estate videos.
In a typical skyscraper. Instead, inside Bentley Tower, you take your car with you to your apartment. Nope, that's not a joke. Each residence will have a multi-car garage where residents can securely park their vehicles, thanks to the car elevator built inside. That's pretty mind-blowing, right? However, Bentley Residences isn't the first skyscraper that will have this feature.
Porsche Tower did it.
Only 2 blocks away, there is a Porsche design tower, completed in 2017, which is already using the car elevator to store up to 11 cars in one of their penthouses, and 2 cars in a regular apartment. Oh, and one more thing, you don't have to actually drive a Bentley in order to live inside a Bentley Tower. Although...
Anyway. I don't know. I be watching real estate shit. You know what I mean? It makes me dream and work hard. Yo, I looked at recently Michael Jordan's house. Michael Jordan's house just fucking, I think it's on the market or some shit like this. Salute to this guy.
They have brought us, and I'm truly humbled beyond words. Before we start, I want to give big thanks to listing agent Catherine Malkin, to the Michael Jordan team, and Mr. Jordan himself for giving us the honor of touring this stunning
I forgot how much it's being sold for.
And now, it is my great privilege
it's being
to
sold for
welcome
$15
you
million.
to 2700 Point Lane in the great city of Chicago, Illinois. Let's begin.
This is Michael Jordan's Chicago script. Holy.
To this
Let me
point,
skip through it a
where
little
we
bit.
acre lot on the market for $14,855,000. And again, I want to give big thanks to the listing agent, Catherine Malkin, listing brokerage Compass, Mr. Jordan's team, and Mr. Jordan himself for allowing us to do this tour. And now, let's go inside. We have hardwood floors on this elevated section here, and I want to point out these unique wall sconces. These were made from mufflers, which is super cool. Overall, great space. I love the volume here. You have curved lines throughout, mood lighting. Coming back to the library, again, picture windows, modern cabinetry, floating island right in the center. This is where we have the Gaggenau gas cooktop. And your patio extends out. Additional outdoor. That way, your friends can come over, go straight to your backyard. And we have this opening.
Yo, his guest house is bigger than
bathroom,
most people's regular house,
floating
bro.
vanity, natural stone countertops, walk-in shower, chrome fixture, good sized bathroom. Now, let's go back to the hallway so we can continue our tour. Right next door, we have the second guest suite. This one also comes with a king size bed, TV on the other side. we have this long hallway leading us to the basketball pavilion. Leather chairs, great space, TV on this side, wet bar here, and on my right hand side we have the door opening up to the outdoors and the motor court where you have parking spaces. Coming here we have additional doors opening up to the side of the property where we have a tennis court, pond, fenced-in yard, and throughout the property they have security cameras, security quarters with a full-time staff watching over this incredible estate. Now, we have the steps here taking us to the basketball court. At the end of this hallway, we have a door opening up to a locker room with a full bathroom and a walk-in shower. And here we are at the basketball court itself. This has to be one of the most significant private basketball courts in the United States, if not around the world, and it feels amazing to be here.
This is insane. I think this is probably the highlight of the creation of this channel, getting to walk around Michael Jordan's private basketball court in his insane home.
Anyway, I'll be watching videos like that, chat. Oh, boy. Anyway. Shit. What's that talking about? All right, let me just see if there's anything else to talk about. Yo, chat, I got a whole busy day tomorrow. I got a lot of shit to do. By the way, today I got my passport. I was in D.C. I actually ran around and even saw some monuments and shit like that. I think I kind of covered everything I wanted to cover today. Probably I left off a few things, but I'll try to get back on tomorrow. And we could kick the shit again. But I appreciate y'all, chat. Thank y'all so much. 5 days in a row. I'm going to miss y'all when I do go on this trip. So that's why I'm trying to get all my streaming hours in now. But listen, let me unmute what's going on here. I'm a host, Boom. Y'all go fuck with Boom, bro. Yo, Boom, you here, nigga? I think Boom probably went to sleep. But anyway... Yeah. I'm gonna be back on tomorrow, yo. Y'all in here still or no?
What's up,
Yeah,
man?
we here.
Yeah, yo, Boom. Yo, go stream, bro.
I'm live, bro. Don't even worry about it, twin. I'm live.
Yeah, yo, chat. I'm gonna be back on tomorrow. I think that's gonna be like our 6th or almost 7th day, man. I appreciate y'all so much. Y'all been showing me so much love. Thank you to YouTube. You guys were killing it today, man. We consistently had over about 11 or 12,000 people over there. So appreciate you guys so much. Twitch, you guys are amazing with the subs and everything like that. I appreciate y'all appreciating the consistency, and I just hope to give y'all some good content and keep doing it. All right, yo, I'm about to host Boom, and yeah, I got some YouTube videos coming tomorrow. Also, Off the Record dropping tomorrow, and there's a few other things that I'm gonna give to you guys. So just make sure to watch out for my YouTube channel. Go check out Spotify, Off the Record, and yeah, right now y'all about to go check out Boom. Yo, Boom, did the raid work last time when I did or not?
Yeah, it worked.
It worked? All right, man. Here I go.
Drop that merch, act.
Yeah.
Facts.
Yo, we just waiting on a few designs, and then it's about to happen soon.
He'll turn your shit up, bro. No cap.
All right, put me on, nigga. Wait, how the fuck do I even do raid now?
We need that merch bad.
All right, here I go with the raid.
Let me see. Yeah, I got a nigga, bro. Nigga, he's too cold, bro.
Raid, little Boom. Chat, love y'all. Peace. See y'all tomorrow.
Bro, you gotta let us see the designs before you drop it, bro.
Oh, that is a fact, huh? That's definitely a fact. All right, YouTube. I gotta get up in I gotta get up.
So you about to get some yeeks?
Get his ass out, nigga.
Yo, act, bro. Yo, act. I told you.
What?
Yo, I told you I'm about to do Madison Square Garden.
Oh, word? Let's do it, nigga.
Bro. Next year, May.
Come on, man. Come on. What's the problem, man?
Hey, bro. Hey, it's happening, nigga.
Come on, nigga. I hold on. Yeah. Let me hop on my phone real quick. But everybody go fuck with Boom real quick, man.
Hopefully I didn't say that on